Hey guys, AJ here, back with another one for you. It's Thursday, guys. It's Thursday. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope your week hasn't been too crazy, guys, because we all know what time it is.
You can't handle the truth.
Courtroom madness, guys. Here we are. And guys, as usual, I dropped the link to the lives in the Discord first. So if you want to join the panel immediately, guys, please go to the Discord. And yeah, guys, we got boy, do I have some doozies for you today, guys. Yes, I do. Give me a second, guys. Let's see here. Let me pull this first one up here. Give me 1 minute. Hold on. Okay, let's see. There was one that was... Okay. Let me share my screen. Now, guys, this is the ultimate example of why you should never represent yourself in court. Let's see. Sovereign's here. Philip's here. What's going on, man? Steve is here. Starvin' Marvin's here. Rajai Gamer's here. Daniel's here. What's going on? 8-Bit Dragon's here. What's going on, guys? Manic Mechanics here. What's going on, guys? Yeah, someone said something about soju, man. Soju was great. That's good stuff, man. Now, guys, now for those of you guys who still might not be new, I am gonna do better about scheduling the lives. But guys, remember, I go live Tuesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday on the other channel at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wintrell, man, what's up, buddy? You know, I'm gonna give Wintrell the hold on, where is it? The let's see, Brent's here. Cool Cat's here. Jameson's here. What's going on, guys? Garrett's here. And guys, once again, anyone who wants to join, guys, join the Discord, because I dropped the link there first. I'm gonna drop the link to the Discord, guys, and I do have an announcement that I will make later on in the stream. Let's see, drop the link to the Discord. Okay, now, guys, someone hinted that they thought that the new Grand Theft Auto is going to be wokey woke, but I don't think it is, man. I honestly don't. Let me do this. Let me see this. One more thing. Okay. Now, guys, this is from people in court, guys. So please join their subscribe over there, and let's get into this. Brent, dude, you gotta stretch, bro. He says, is there a quick fix to a pinched muscle? Dude, you get a lot of cramps if you don't drink enough water and you don't stretch, right? And guys, if you ever have an issue with like a muscle cramp, get like a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, man. Shoot, that'll help get that knot out of the muscle. You know what I mean?
LV Envy Funding versus Michelle Miller, case number and braids by Miata LLC 23C0728.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Matthew Kuipers on behalf of the attorney in record and LV Envy Funding.
Good afternoon. Is anyone representing Michelle Miller or Braids by Miata LLC present? If so, please unmute and state your name.
No, I'm representing myself.
Of course you are.
What is your name, please?
My name is Michelle Miller.
All right, so you're Miss Michelle Miller.
Yes.
Thank you. So, in this particular case, there was a motion and affidavit filed for a show cause.
Yes, I would like to speak on that, Your Honor. I have sent them a payment of $500 and they get $15 a week out of my bank account. So I'm trying to figure out why we are here. They have not put credit towards the $500 cashier's check that I sent them, or they have not gave me credit for the $15 a week. That
You had no legal obligation to arrest me, officer.
Guys, don't they all sound the same? Don't they all sound the same? And guys, this is B-Dub judge versus B-Dub defendant, right? So guys, at some point, you know for a fact,
I hope you die, bitch. I hope you die of AIDS, ho.
Look at that, man.
I'm not sure if it was you or someone else had granted them to garnish my bank account, and they have been receiving that money every week. I had also called their attorney, Joshua or Jason or something like that, and this was last year, and when I first had got the first paperwork, because I'm the one that initiated for Synchrony Bank, because this is regarding Synchrony Bank. I have 7 other accounts with Synchrony Bank.
Ma'am. So
Excuse me?
Please stop talking for a moment. It's not your motion. Mr. Cooper, this is your motion, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. This was plaintiff's motion in order to
So
show.
all that yapping, and guys, it was this guy. He's the lawyer. It's his motion, and this knucklehead is blah 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 blah.
No cause. It all stems from request for a judgment against the garnishee defendant. And give you a brief synopsis, quick, if the court would like.
Well, I have to move out my building anyway, so since they keep delivering mail there.
Ma'am, please stop talking. It's not your turn yet. Mr. Cooper, this is not asked to the defendant Miller. You have not brought her in today. You have filed a motion to show cause for a Braids by Miata LLC.
That's correct, Your Honor. There was a garnishment issued on September 29, 2023 against Braids by Miata LLC. It was sent to them on October 10th. There was no disclosure received, so the plaintiff then filed a notice of failure to file a disclosure and sent that to Braids.
Now, guys, this lawyer and this judge are talking, and you can guarantee that this knucklehead on the upper left has no clue what they're talking about.
By Miata LLC back on January 10th of 2024. Default request was then sent and issued by this court on March 14th of 2024 for failure to disclose, and then a default judgment was then filed on April 3, 2024. At this point, that's what plaintiff is seeking to have entered against Braids by Miata LLC.
Who is Braids by Miata LLC?
That is me by myself, me all alone. And every time I try to call and speak with them, they are very rude. I've sent them money. I've tried to, get this situated. Yesterday, on just last week alone, they sent me a notice every single day. Prior to that, they sent
Look at that, dude.
At this point, I'm not going to have nowhere to work from because my landlord that I rent from asked me if they keep coming, I have to leave the premises. So how am I supposed to pay? That $500 I sent them, I saved up because I had got a call from DFAX in Atlanta. Now this is a show cause hearing. Let me show cause. Their calls are also recorded and monitored. I got a call from DFAX in Atlanta to go get my grandchildren on August the 28th. They gave me 24 hours. What was I going to do? Pay them or leave my grandchildren to go into the state? That's what I did. I went and got my grandbabies. I sent them $500.
I told you guys, B-dubs or women in general are either the heroes the victims in their own stories, or in her case, she says she's both, right? Let's see. Dream Touch is here. What's going on, my friend? What's going on? Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's see. David's here. Candarius, what's going on, my friend?
I've been paying them $15 a week. They get that directly out of my bank account. So I don't understand why we're here, because I'm doing what they're asking me to do. But I also am a one-person band doing hair. I don't have a...
I told you guys, and this is all these chicks that are saying that they're entrepreneurs and they're outdoing men and all this foolishness. Guys, any of these chicks who tell you that they're boss babes and they're starting businesses...
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
All of them start some LLC so they can do hair, do nails, sell bundles, and it's not anything that adds to society. You know what I'm saying?
company. I don't have 30, 40 people working for me. It's just me and me alone.
All right, man.
Look at it. I can't fathom why she's single. Yo, I didn't put that in there, dude. Straight up.
Let me say a few things, okay? First of all, you have a company. It's called Braids by Mietta LLC. LLC is that, limited liability company.
Yeah.
So when you have a company, you can't come to court and represent the company. You actually have to have an attorney do that.
Oh! Look at that, guys. Look at that. She didn't know that you can't represent your company as yourself. You got to get a lawyer. Oops. Look at that. Candarius, man. Thanks, pal. I appreciate that, man. And guys, once again, I just hit 7,800 subs, so hopefully I can hit 8,000 here either before the end of the month or by early next month. So I appreciate you guys' support, and make sure you guys are still subbed, man. Seriously, because we all know how YouTube is. And guys, make sure to go over to Crumble and subscribe to me there. I'm gonna drop the link to my my account over there. Oops. Give me a second, guys. If I can learn how this darn thing works, right? Let's see. 1 second. Channel through. Here we go. So, guys, make sure you go over there and sub. Brian, what's going on, man? Here we go.
So when you incorporate or turn yourself into an LLC, then you're no longer able to come into a court and represent that particular agency.
Oopsie.
So,
Well, when I just went up to 14th District Court over there on Whitaker and here on River Drive, they told me that I could come to court and represent myself.
I don't believe you.
they would not have told you that because they don't give.
Yes, they did.
How you gonna argue with a judge? Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. She said, I'm gonna represent myself.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I want my medication and I want my croutons, please.
Steve with the $10, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
I was on the phone with legal aid when they told me that. I was calling to get a legal aid representative, and the legal aid attorney was on the phone when I was standing right at the desk when the attorney told me, when the young lady told me that. It was a young man and a young lady. They were right at the 14th District Court, and it was another security guard that used to be a bailiff standing out front. I spoke with him for a moment as well.
Well, you can't.
I told you guys.
The streets. I'm a bitch from the streets. I get that money. I get that money. Bitch, give me what you got.
Represent yourself.
You can't do it.
You can't represent this company.
So either I'm going to pay them or get a lawyer, but I can't do both.
Well,
Tim, I can't help you with that part of that. I can only tell you what the law is. Okay?
Well, I would rather to pay them because I can't afford to pay an attorney.
Okay.
So they're here today.
Look at that attitude. Look at that. And guys, you wonder why B-dubs are the least selected group of women on the planet. And guys, where's the race card? This is how crazy that the black community is, guys. Guys, I am black. I don't even date B-dubs anymore. Straight up, dude. Right? And then wonder about all these guys. It's so bad that you have young black men. They're saying, you know what? I'm gonna stay black, but I'm gonna date a girl who's from Africa. I'm gonna date a girl who's Afro-Caribbean or Afro-Latin, and they still call them a sellout. Clown world.
Trying
to show cause.
Can you not talk over me again, ma'am? It's really starting to irritate me.
Oh, please let her hang up.
Do you understand? Because this is my last time giving you a warning to not talk over me. The next thing will be a contempt.
Please give her. Did she hang up? Did she hang up?
Are we clear? Do you hear me talking to you, ma'am?
I hear you. I'm not deaf, ma'am.
Look at that.
Well, you didn't respond. So
give her a contempt.
Because my phone fell. I was trying to pick my phone up.
Please don't talk over me again, okay? If you're not going to respond, I can just remove you from
Well,
this.
you told me not to say anything. So what?
Dude, this is an old woman. She's probably in her 50s, and she's acting like a child. Look at that. Oh, when Charles said his wife's Japanese, you know what? You're gonna get yourself a round of applause. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Okay. Isn't there some rumor that Japan is wants black dudes to go over there and like smash chicks or something? Is that true? Hold on. Is it true? I gotta find it and do a video. I heard a rumor. But yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. My girl's Korean. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't even date B-dubs, modern chicks. Well, Western chicks. No thanks, man. No thanks. Death Proof. What is going on, my friend? What is going on?
All right, you want to play games? Get her out the room.
Oh, she kicked her out, guys. She kicked her out. Nah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, 8-bit dragon in college. A friend of mine had a hookup from a wholesale guy on sake. So we used to put Rockstar and sake together and call it Rocky sake and just get trashed, man. It was bad. But yeah, guys, here's the thing. Diesel, what's going on, man? Yeah, I have to read the actual article because I don't really know much about it. But yeah, guys, she kicked this broad out.
Like, jeez.
Bye, Felicia.
All right. So you're asking for a judgment against Breaks by Miata LLC?
That's correct, Your Honor. Based on the failure to file a disclosure after multiple attempts to have that done.
What a knucklehead.
Given that no one here is present who can represent Miata LLC, I will grant your request.
Good.
Thank you, Your Honor. Does the court need plaintiff to send in a judgment, or has one already been sent in?
A judgment has already been sent in.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Dang, look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna drop the link. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Okay.
Only one.
Now, guys, buckle in for this, dude. Buckle in for this. And I'm gonna drop the link, guys, for anyone who wants to come on up. And guys, I honestly think, do you see a lot of these judges, like especially these B-dub judges, where they deal with B-dub so much that even that they sound red pill. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Sin, what's going on, my friend?
Court calls a matter of people of the state of Michigan versus Marina Ann Kaskorkas, file number 22-6258FH.
For the record, Your Honor, on behalf of the people.
Harry Brown on behalf of Ms. Kaskorkas.
Ms. Kaskorkas, are you connected now?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and start your video. Ms. Kaskorkas, we're here for a status conference and a final plea cutoff date. Have you had enough time to remain in contact with Mr. Brown about this case?
Your Honor, you gave me plenty of time. However,
Now, guys, okay, I haven't watched this yet. I just know that she got charged with obstructing an officer and then resisting. Like, she interfered with someone's arrest. You know what I'm saying?
communication
Guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream. I'd appreciate that.
was hard to come by.
Well, that's unfortunate, but as you started with, and as I'm determining, you have had plenty of time to make
Yes.
communications. You've had plenty of attorneys. So in light of your statements, I'm not changing anything with respect to how I'm proceeding. This is how I'm proceeding. Today is a final status conference. That's where the attorneys tell me about what preparations I need to be aware of for trial. It's also a plea cutoff. If you want to take advantage of a plea offer, you can. If you want to reject it.
Hey, guys, I'll be right back. Give me a second. I decided, guys, that when I do have to take a bio break, guys, I'm just gonna put Bianca on to take up time. Here, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, give me a second.
You alright? No. What's going on tonight? Why don't you talk to me? Like, what's wrong? Why don't you talk to me? It's okay, listen. Can you do me a favor? I didn't do nothing about nothing. I'm just crying my ass off because my mom just left me. Okay, come here. She's gonna run in. It's cause I knew he was cheating on me, so I went to go be all. Can you do me a favor? Yeah, calm down. No, you're good. You're good. We understand. Can you do me a favor? You see, this is Officer Contreras, okay? Hey, what's your name? I'm Leticia. What's your name? He has my name. I don't know your name. I don't know my name either. Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you stand like me? You see how my feet are close together? Can you stand like that? How about this? Your arms at your side? Can you stand like that? Don't treat me like I'm a fucking criminal because I don't do nothing wrong, eh? I don't do nothing wrong, just stay like that for Officer Contreras for me, okay?
What's going
Thank
on?
you.
Have you had anything?
No. I'm Leticia. Nice to meet you, okay? Nice to meet you, sweetie. It's okay. It's okay. Just stay right there for him.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, nothing. I'm just emotional. Fool, why don't you understand that?
There it is.
How long you and your man together?
Not for very long, fool, but I know that's my person. I fucked it up.
This never gets old, guys.
It's because I'm psycho.
Because I'm psycho.
That never gets old, dude. That never, ever gets old.
Yeah, that'll never hit the wall.
Guys, someone out there has the rest of this footage of her in jail. Guys, there's a cash bounty on this, okay? If you guys can find the rest of this clip, man, there's some cash in it for you. Okay? Just like you know. And I'm dead ass serious too. Let's see. Let me get rid of the race card here. And guys, I'll have to do a whole stream on that knucklehead Tiffany Henyard from Dalton, Illinois, because Ish is hitting the fan with that chick. You know what I'm saying? So
You can. To the court, it does not matter. But one of those two choices will be made today. Then the next choice will be after that. If you make the choice to accept a plea agreement, I'll determine whether or not I believe that you're guilty of a crime, and then I'll set the matter for sentencing. If you reject the plea agreement, I'm going to continue to
guys, this judge does not take any mess at all, dude. It's great.
case on for trial on May 24th, and I'm not going to consider any plea offers ever again in the future.
Pyro, your devices are not connected, so make sure to connect your devices, and then your audio, and then I'll bring you up.
Sure.
Yeah, there's a problem with StreamYards lately.
Dude,
today.
Dude, 8-bit, dude, me too. Here's the thing, dude. Like, okay, well, all right, dude. Yeah, I've always had a preference for Asian chicks, but here's the thing, Manic, dude, thanks, man. He said that he liked the video last night, right? You know what I mean, guys. I have a whole playlist, right? So, guys, check out the whole playlist of all the videos about the lesbians, right? And how they can't stand dating women. You know what I mean? And I find that it's funny.
I find that surprising. I think women already know. I find that surprising because women supposed to know women by heart. Like how men know men by heart.
No. Speaking of that.
Bumblecard!
What's up, Pyro? What's up, dude? You stuck in here like a ninja. No, but seriously, guys, hold on.
No, they don't understand women because they have the mindset of a man.
Well, no, well, because here's the thing. Just like how chicks think that what makes guys attractive. I mean, hold on. Chicks think that guys are attracted to what chicks are attracted to, right? So that's why they act silly, and they also have the sisterhood thing where they don't believe that women are the way men say they are. How many times have you guys watched a podcast and these chicks are will tell a guy what they think he likes, guys like, and the guy will actually say, no, you're wrong, and they'll be like, I don't think you're telling the truth, right? Guys, hold on, where is my playlist? Okay, look at this. So guys, here guys, I have a whole playlist. I think I'm on like part 14 or 15. So guys, I have a whole playlist of these. So guys, if you go over and guys just watch them all, because I don't even know how this idea came to me. It came to me as if it just came down from on high, right? You know what I mean? It just came. But guys, I have a whole series on this, man. That's like the whole eggplant widows, guys. Eggplant widows are bisexual chicks, right? Because they missed the eggplant. You guys, I have videos on how all these chicks won't date eggplant widows. All these lesbians won't date them because they think that they just sleep with chicks, but then end up marrying guys. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, I have a whole playlist, man. Knock yourselves out. Look at that, getting cheated. They whine about getting cheated on. And guys, I have the one where the chick says, "Yeah, I'm a non-binary now," which means that my husband is LDHD TV, and he won't say that he's LDHD TV.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Because obviously he's LDHD TV if he's with me and I'm non-binary now.
I remember that video.
Oh man, but yeah, guys, I have a whole bunch, and this series is gonna keep going, man. Because man, oh man, oh man. Anyways, matter of fact, guys, that reminds you, we'll do a body cam footage of a chick who had to call all the cops because her girlfriend hit her with the
Get over
here.
Wait,
just like
is that the one that broke the broomstick over?
No, which one is that one?
I don't know. It was a brunette and the blonde, I think.
I don't know. If you have a video, drop it in the chat here, and I'll pull it up. So, but yeah, okay, but yeah, guys. So I'm surprised none of those videos have got flagged. But anyways, but just maybe that, guys, the only way that 304s can actually understand how 304s are is if they date them, or if their brother, their dad, or their son's getting railroaded by one, or if they're like a person that does like nails or hair, you know what I'm saying, and they have to deal with these 304s directly day in and day out. You know what I'm saying? That's part of their business. So yeah.
Yes, Dorcas?
I do, Your Honor.
And in terms of how you want to proceed, how do you want to proceed?
I would like to take the plea offer. However, I am still extremely unclear as to what it. I understand that it is resistance and obstruction, but by what means is what I want to know, because.
Well, Ms. Dorcas, this isn't a question and answer session. This is me asking you questions, not you asking me questions. So let me try to clarify it more. If you want to enter...
Look at this. The based on some of her profile pictures, I'm feeling that she's used to getting her way with men. She's an incredibly beautiful woman, but unfortunately for her, Judge Hunter isn't one of those men incredibly beautiful.
You've been had. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Ooh, death proof for 20 pounds, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And I want my medication, and I want my croutons, please.
He says that I know you do these streams because you enjoy doing them. And I'm loving all your videos. However, thanks for your dedication, hard work, and long may you keep entertaining us all. Hey, yeah, guys. Once again, guys, so we have a Discord. We have the second channel, guys, and matter of fact, I might as well announce this now, guys. I have a locals now, right? Let me share my screen, guys. I will have this go live this weekend, right? So I will actually announce this on the community tab, right? So, guys, I will be on locals. Someone had asked me about a membership. Guys, I don't like the YouTube membership because it doesn't really give you much, right? Like, you get, like, custom emojis and all this foolishness, right? Like, that doesn't matter. But guys, over here, right, you will get at least an extra two lives a week, okay? They'll be daytime lives, right? And we're gonna go in on all types of stuff, right? We'll go in about politics, pop culture, I'll do like Kevin Samuel's reactions over here, right? So you'll get at least 2 lives a week, maybe 3, but at least 2. And then there'll be some specific content for locals, guys. So this will be the membership option instead of a YouTube membership. So he said, "Am I gonna do a local swingers thing?" Wrap it up. You guys went, oh. So yeah, guys. So I will drop the link and an announcement on the community tab this weekend because I'm gonna upload some more content and have a good amount of member specific content on here. So that'll probably Saturday or Sunday. You guys will see the link to the locals. and you'll see the actual price and everything. Now remember, you don't have to actually be a paid member to be on here. There's still there will be content specific to here where you don't have to be a paid member, but the lives and a lot of other things will be for members. Now, guys, I knew a girl once who went to like a swingers club with some of her. She said, "Did you take EBT?" Oh man, no, guys.
Yeah,
I know a girl who what's that?
The single moms want to know if you take WIC.
Yeah, emoji. I will be on Crumble and locals are actually intertwined. There's actually functionality between them both. So I'm gonna be using the other site also. But as far as a membership goes, it'll be locals and not YouTube. Because here's the thing, right? And I'll also be centralizing all of my content on locals too. Because here's the thing, guys. Let's just say that I were to make a membership, right? YouTube would still own you guys' memberships, right? So if I got monetized or anything, that would all go away. Whereas with a locals, as an audience and as a membership, it's our own little club. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, here we go. And yes, we have a Discord, but I can't do the lives in the same way and all of that like I can on Discord. Okay, so thanks, Sovereign. I really appreciate that. Okay, guys, I know a girl who went to a swingers club in Baltimore. I mean, yikes, right? Swingers club in Baltimore, Maryland. This is how you have to be if you're gonna be at a swingers club in Baltimore, Maryland.
Like Black Panther.
Hold on. I really need to have this clip saved. Hold on. Where is it? This is how you gotta do things at a swingers club in Baltimore. Oh no. Anyways. No. I wasn't with her. This is a knucklehead that I used to know from the gym. But anyways, so she was like, and all these people, they were trying to talk to me and they're trying to be all snooty. I'm like, you were at a swingers club. So you're going to go to a place where random people go to bone, and then you're going to be mad that they're walking up to you to try to talk to you?
Didn't even buy me any drinks.
Isn't that crazy? Anyways, I digress.
Your guilty plea, under whatever terms that the prosecutor and your attorney have negotiated and you agree to, you can. But you need to be aware that there's only one way that I will ever accept a plea from you or any other criminal defendant. That's if you tell me that you're guilty. If we're
extremely beautiful? Come on, dude. Come on.
That's to waste time.
That's the same woman.
Get to the preeminent question and you tell me that you're not guilty. Let's not waste our time. If you're not guilty, then you should have a trial. And you should
Brent, speak into the microphone a little bit more. Brent, hello? No, we just couldn't hear you. Oh, okay.
Prosecutor the burden of proving your guilt. If you have questions about your guilt, then you should have that trial. If you want to take advantage of the plea offer, though, that's fine. But I'm not going to accept a plea if you're wavering or telling me that you're not guilty. So it's either that you are guilty and we can take a plea if you want to do that, or you're not guilty and we'll have the jury determine the issues. Again, to me, wavering or telling a question.
Look at this.
A pot smoking slut.
You are guilty and we can take a plea if you want to do that, or you're not guilty and we'll have the jury determine the issues. Again, to me, it doesn't matter, but you've got to make that choice. So which choice is it?
I'm so sorry I'm not trying to be difficult, but
I doubt it.
in order for me to understand if I am guilty or not, I need to have it more clear what exactly it is that I'm supposed to be, what it is that they're trying.
That's why you get a lawyer.
I'm guilty of. Because when I tried to talk to Larry about this, he couldn't give me a straight answer, and he just said resistance and obstruction. Resistance and obstruction.
What is that called? The Dunning-Kruger effect? Where you're so stupid that you think you know what you're talking about, right? Like, I guarantee you this guy tried every single way to tell her, and she just thinks that it doesn't make any sense, so it's the other guy's fault. It's not that she's too dumb, it's that this guy is too dumb to explain it to her.
That's a thing?
What's that?
That's a thing? The Dunning what?
Oh, what's that? You haven't heard of that, guys? Am I wrong? Hold on, let me see.
Do like 90% of Americans suffer from that then?
No, 90% of women do. Look at that.
I think that number's too low.
Let's see. You know what? No, we never did. You know what I mean? No, we never did. So we never dipped into each other's ink. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So what did I say? Dunning-Kruger? Brent, your camera's on. Okay, Brent, what were you saying?
Wasn't saying anything. I just broke my cigarette in half and kind of.
Oh. Okay. Brent, hey, what did you do to your arm, dude?
I was carrying laundry downstairs and dropped the sock, stepped on the sock, and threw my left arm into it.
Oh, man, that's no fun. Yeah, I've dislocated my left shoulder like 3 times, dude. It's no fun. And guys, if anyone goes, hey, man, I can pop it back into place for you. No, don't.
No. I'm going to go full Mel Gibson on that.
That's what I was going to say. Don't be Mel Gibson. Yo, dude, Lethal Weapon 2, man. One of the greatest diplomatic immunity. It's just been revoked. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, is it 3 or 4? It's fried rice, you plick.
It's 4.
Number 4, yeah. That's, I think it goes.
Fried ice.
2, 1, 4, and 3. I think. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As far as like the best of them. I mean.
Well, I was gonna say, 2 is the one where what's his name gets stuck in the toilet, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the one with
the best one.
I don't think you want to go to South Africa. But because you're black.
You're black. He's black.
I love those movies.
That was great, man. My favorite is when they're in the dentist's office. It's a nut go.
What's
yo baby is having my baby, and your baby, oh baby.
Bill Pesci.
Oh man. Anyways, I digress.
It's not very difficult to understand.
Dude.
It's made less difficult, Ms. Kaskorkas, because these charges have been pending for the better part of 3.5 years.
3.5 years!
I hope he gets back taxes on those.
Years. And guys, this judge, he's not having it, man. Look at that.
So let me read the charges to you. They will speak for themselves. Because you either did the things that are alleged, which makes you guilty, or you didn't, and you're not guilty. You're entitled to a trial if you want one. You're entitled to waive that trial and enter a plea if you want to. But the claims could not be more clear. The claim is that on or about December 28th of 2021, and while you were in Otsego County, you did either assault, batter, wound, resist, obstruct, oppose, or endanger. That means any one of those, assault, batter, wound, resist, obstruct, oppose, or endanger Trooper Cole Wright, a police officer of the Michigan State Police, that you knew or had reason to know was performing his or her duties. And with regard to count 2, that you did assault, batter, wound, resist, obstruct, oppose, or endanger any one of those: assault, batter, wound, resist, obstruct, oppose, or endanger Trooper Tyler Morse, a police officer of the Michigan State Police, that you knew or had reason to know was performing his or her duties. It's an element of the crime that the officer, for example, was performing their lawful duties, and a knowing failure to comply with a lawful command is, by definition, resisting and obstructing a police officer.
There you go.
Those are the elements. If that can't create clarity for you, I cannot help you any further, because that's what the statute prohibits, and that's what the prosecutor alleges that you did. You either agree with the prosecutor under the terms of the plea agreement that you did one of those things, or you disagree. Again, I don't care which answer it is, but I'm not going to take more time to go over those intricacies, because you've had 3.5 years to go over them prior to today's date with multiple different attorneys on multiple different occasions. And I've had.
Cheers. What's going on, my friend? You know what, guys, you know what? I gotta give Cheers when she shows up. Cheers is gonna get a. Because, you know, her name is Cheers. So, okay. So, Cheers, you didn't see her pictures, her little Instagram pictures. We'll have to go back to those in a little bit.
Those discussions with you on multiple different occasions. Today is, therefore, the plea cutoff in a final status conference. And you get to tell me whether or not you want to take advantage of a plea offer because you're guilty, or whether or not you want the jury to determine the issues. Which one is it?
Can I just?
Which one is it? Look at her. Look at her face, guys. Look. Which one is it?
Ask one more question.
You can ask it, but I don't know that I'll answer it. Go ahead.
Thank you. Who gets to say which one of those things I was guilty of? If I, because
With your offer plea, Ms. Gaskorkis, you do. Because if you're offering a plea, the only way I'll accept it is if you tell me that you're guilty in which one of those things you did. I'll either believe that's the point, or I won't.
No, Cheers. I got one for you. Here you go. there it is.
Thank you, sir. You did clarify that. Then I will take the plea.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Brown, can you outline for the court the terms of the plea agreement as you understand them?
Your Honor, the terms of the agreement would be to plead to count 1 for a dismissal of count 2.
What?
Accurate statement, Mr. Rolla.
It is, Your Honor.
Do you understand those terms, Ms. Gaskorkis, that if you plead guilty to count 1, the police officer, assault, resist, or obstruct, the prosecutor would dismiss count 2?
Look at that.
Yes, sir.
And understanding those terms, did you still want to proceed forward with that plea agreement?
Yes, sir.
Who has a bird in their house? Are you hearing that? That's
Yes.
from this chick. She has a bird or something. So she's a crazy bird lady too?
If you plead guilty to count 1, police officer, assault, resist, or obstruct, that is a felony offense in the state of Michigan with a maximum potential punishment of up to 2 years in the state prison system and/or a fine of up to $2,000.
Guys, how much time do you think that he's gonna give her? Because she's pleading guilty, right? Vulcan, what's going on, man?
No, I think that sound is coming from her. She's a jailbird now.
I hope so.
For that.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
The benefit of the plea agreement is that if you plead guilty to that count 1, the prosecutor dismissed count 2, the other charge that was filed against you. Do you understand the benefit of the plea agreement?
Yes, sir.
Understanding both the benefit of the plea agreement as well as the maximum that you could face for police officer, assault, resist, or obstruct in count 1.
Please. Look at those crocodile tears, guys. Look at that. Look at that.
No, I'm just emotional. Why don't you understand?
Look at that. Brent, You said something?
No, I was just mimicking the clip.
What is your
Thanks.
plea to count one?
Guilty, sir.
If you plead guilty, Ms. Gaskorkis, you don't any longer have any automatic right to appeal. If you had a trial and were convicted after a trial, you would have an automatic right to appeal. But when you enter a plea, your appeal rights become limited. You have to ask for what's called leave to appeal. The Court of Appeals could grant that, or they could deny it. Are you aware of it? Aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you lose the right to trial. We have that set for you right now on May 24th. You also lose the trial rights that are associated with your trial. Those trial rights include the right to be tried by a jury of your peers, the right to be presumed innocent until you're proven guilty, and the right to have the prosecutor bear the burden of proving you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. At your trial, you would have a right to have the witnesses against you appear and to see, hear, and question those witnesses, and you would have the right to have the court order any witnesses on your behalf to appear at the trial. You would have a right to testify at your trial. You would also have the right to remain silent at your trial and have the jury instructed not to hold that silence against you. You understand that you have those rights, but they're waived in this case if you enter a guilty plea?
Yes, sir.
You also, because you're giving up your right to trial, give up the right to challenge other things that you potentially could have challenged on appeal if you did have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So for example, Ms. Gaskorkis, if the prosecutor brought in evidence that you thought was erroneous, it was prejudicial.
One day at a time. With $2, she belongs to the streets. I appreciate that, my friend.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
And guys, hold on. 9:03. Guys, we all know with pictures like this. Where are they? Oops. Where'd the pictures go? Where'd they go? Oh. They're not on for that long? Huh. I guess not. I'll find them, guys.
Example, Ms. Gaskorkis.
Yes, it does.
Outside of the plea agreement that's been stated on the record today, has anyone promised you anything to get you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Has anyone? Let's not waste our
time. Come on, guys. Look. Really? Uh-huh. Seriously? Look.
The streets. I'm a bitch from the streets. I get that money. I get that money. Bitch, give me what you got.
Oh, man.
Has anyone threatened you in any way to make you feel like you have to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And is it your choice to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
The prosecutor claims that this offense happened back on December 28th of 2021. Do you believe that date is an accurate date?
2021, yes, guys.
On that date, were you present here in Otsego County?
Yes, sir.
While you were in the county, did you come across or come into contact with law enforcement officers?
Yes, sir.
Do you now know that one of those law enforcement officers was a Michigan State police trooper known as Trooper Cole Wright?
Yes, sir.
And when you came into contact with Trooper Wright, was he in full uniform?
Yes, sir.
So did you know that he was a police officer?
Yes, I did.
And did you have reason to know that he was performing his duties at the time?
What? Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Why was he there?
Because Sam Kaskorkis, my ex-husband, I'd asked him to leave my property, and instead of doing that, he called the police and tried to report a domestic violence that did not occur.
Oh, she was beating up her husband.
A husband beat on the loose.
One at a time, guys. Someone said something, and then Brent. So who said something first?
Nah, whoever it was, go first.
Okay, Brent, you were saying?
Are we really surprised?
I know, right? Seriously. Lenny, what's going on? Conrad, what's going on? Mr. Excelsior, how's it going? And Tom's wonderful. What's going on, man?
So when police arrived, they were responding to an allegation of domestic violence, which means they were performing their lawful duties, correct?
Yes, sir.
when they were performing their lawful duties, did they give you some sort of an oral directive or command or tell you to do something?
No, sir.
What happened in your view that makes you guilty of one count of resisting obstruction?
Guys, I'm telling you, even look at this. She still can't take accountability for what she did. She's still trying to lie. Still trying to lie.
I guess I tried to prevent them from entering my bedroom and prevent them from finding Mr. Rowe.
So Mr. Rowe was another individual in the home, correct?
Yes.
So someone said, so she's at home in her bedroom with her boyfriend. Oh, the ex barges in. Look at that. So she's at home.
Wait.
In her bedroom with her boyfriend. So the ex barges in, won't leave, calls the cops while chaos ensues. I think that if you stay calm, the cops would help for the invading ex problem. Who cares if you find a guy in your bed? That's allowed. Okay. So she was trying to hide the new boyfriend, and then all hell broke loose. Oh man.
So is this a triangle? Two boyfriends and one.
Yeah, an ex-husband and then the new boyfriend. He's probably she was probably getting smashed in her and her husband's old bed too. Oops.
Sir.
And when the police officers responded, we already have this covered, but I want to make sure I understand. They were responding to an allegation of domestic violence and performing an investigation to find out whether that happened. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
As a part of that investigation, they were seeking to find out if there was another individual within the home. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And based upon all of the circumstances, because they were trying to find out if there was another individual in the home who may pose a threat to you or to Mr. Kaskorkis or to them, they had lawful authority to do that. Is that right?
That's what I've been told.
And that's what I made a finding of by way of a pretrial motion, correct?
Yes, correct.
And under those circumstances, you then attempted to prevent those officers from doing what they had the ability to do by stopping them from going into your bedroom after they saw Mr. Rowe, correct?
No, that's not exactly correct.
Well, I thought that's what you just told me, but why don't you tell me what actually happened?
No, they had, this was before they had seen him. They could not see him until after they entered my bedroom.
What does that mean?
But I tried to prevent entry into my bedroom.
When you tried to prevent entry, though, you understand and you agree that Trooper Cole Wright was performing his lawful duties. Is that accurate?
I've been at the last court finding, you determined that he was.
This is not about Ms. Kaskorkis, it's about you. I anticipated that this would be problematic. I've anticipated it because I've been seeing it happen for the last 3.5 years. So I'm going to be as blunt and plain as I can. This is the last opportunity. If the words come out that you're telling me you're not guilty, so be it, that's fine. And then we're gonna have a trial. This is the last opportunity to not have a trial. I don't mind having trials. The prosecutor doesn't mind it, and Mr. Brown don't mind it. We need trials sometimes, and you're entitled to it. If you want to not have a trial, though, this is your opportunity. It does not matter to me. The jury can determine the issues, and the jury might disagree with whatever my analysis is. But this isn't about what I determined. This is about what you believe. If you don't believe that you were violating the law, then tell me so, and let's let the jury decide it. Did you violate the law?
At the time, I did not believe I was, but now
There's that 304-ness. Why can't 304s answer questions directly? Why?
They have a hard time answering straightforward questions.
He said yes or no. The only words out of her mouth should have been yes or no. But it sounds like she's used to things being in her mouth and not. Look at that, guys. Simple questions.
Have come to the conclusion that as far.
What was that?
How old is she?
I don't know, dude. I don't know. Too old to be posting thirst traps on the internet. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
As far as what you guys, that there was a special circumstance into why the police should have entry into that room, and that I violated that I denied them entry to the bedroom. I said, you can't go in there. I tried to stand between them and the door.
Of course you
I
did.
know I did that. I understand. I just really, sir, this has dragged on, and I'm not to any benefit to me and my mental well-being. I want this to be done with, and I understand what I did. At the time, I did not believe that they had the right to do that, but I was wrong, apparently.
Well, that's not enough, because you're quibbling and you're not taking responsibility are evident in every word you say. And apparently, what you guys...
What happened?
So, do you fellas ever play Lemmings?
Yeah, the game, the old school game. Okay.
If you go back and look at her video, tell me she doesn't look like a lemon.
Oh, look at that. One day at a time. He says, no more eggs, cat lady. Look at that, man. Thanks for the $2, my friend.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
guys say are not the types of things that I hear when I accept a guilty plea. So I reject the guilty plea. This matter will continue to trial.
Oh, yo, he rejected the guilty plea, dude. Look at that. Yo, this guy's going to get a round of applause, dude. This is that. Dude, he was not having it, and now she's going to be on trial for both counts. She could have got probably less time and one count kicked down, but she's so much of a knucklehead. Look at that.
Every reason to believe it would. My beliefs were now confirmed. This case will continue to trial on May 24th. Are the people ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Brown, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. Could I have a moment to try to ask her a couple questions?
I'm going to give you the briefest of moments, Mr. Brown. I respect the position you're in, but this case has been way too long, and this is not the first discussion that I've had of this nature. This is about the fifth. And every time...
The fifth time this has happened. The fifth!
Yeah, he's tired. He's tired.
Look at that, guys. Come on.
It gets to the same point. And so my patience is certainly
the
weird.
lady there
Huh?
is top right dude.
I don't know who he is. He just appeared. So I don't know if he's for the next case or what. And then I don't know if the guy on the bottom left is her lawyer or what. But that's her lawyer. He's doing a pretty piss poor job. You know what I'm saying? So
No, he's the one prosecuting the case, I think.
Oh, okay.
I'll give you a quick moment, though, to ask some questions of your client.
Thank you. Ms. Kaskorkas, when Eric Rowe was in the bedroom and you knew that, correct?
I was
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
Did you know he was not supposed to be there?
Yes, sir. I knew that he was in violation of his bond condition.
Whoa! Pump the brakes! Wait, what? So the person was on bond for doing something and was supposed to not be at that house. And she was banging it and clanging the guy.
Yes.
Look at that.
And when the police officer asked if he was in the bedroom, did you tell them he wasn't?
Yes, sir.
Because you knew he was not supposed to be there, and the police were looking for him, and you told them he was not there, do you believe that they had a reason to be there because he was?
I do now, sir. Yes, I do. I do believe that.
Did you believe it at the time? Because he wasn't supposed to be there, and the police were looking.
I was aware of it at the time. Yes, sir.
That's not.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would ask that factual basis be found?
Well,
No.
we're close, but we're still not there because knowing that Mr. Rowe is there or not wanting him to be found is a state of mind. It's not a physical action. And so until I hear indication that there's a physical action of resist or obstruct a lawful command, I have no factual basis.
Ms. Kaskorkas, when they did see Mr. Rowe, they went in to arrest him, correct?
Yes, sir.
And were you trying to prevent that arrest once they saw him?
No, sir.
You were not telling.
Guys, she said.
Don't you put your hands on me!
Back up or you're gonna
Don't
go to
you?
jail.
Fuck you! I will go to jail.
I bet you will.
Go fuck yourself.
Telling them to get out of your home, they had no right to be here.
I did tell them to get out of my home, but I don't know if it was before that or after that. But like he said, enough.
Resolved by jury. Ms. Kaskorkas, we're done discussing the matter. This matter will be resolved by a jury on each count on May 24th. I'm going to require that each party be present, each attorney be present by 8:30. Ms. Kaskorkas, that's the order for you as well. You must be present in the circuit courtroom in Otsego County no later than 8:30 in the morning on May 24th. Do you have any questions about that?
No, sir.
Hold on, guys.
Mr. Rolla, anything further on today's record?
No, Judge. Thank you.
Hold on. There's a link.
The order for you
for that.
Out of your home.
I don't see it anymore. All right, guys. Well, here. I don't think that I showed you guys this one yet. Guys, make sure to drop a like on the stream. Guys, I don't think that... Okay, this broad, this knucklehead, this moron, got overpaid $8,000 in child support and was trying to keep the money. And look at what this poor guy has to go through to get his money back. Look at that.
The child support calculation that was giving her so much child support had her income at $15,000 per year. When we recalculated child support, the child support was at $50,000 per year.
Look at that.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Look at that, guys. Man.
For Miss Chilton's income. And that was what it was recalculated on. Client's kind of stuck where he's overpaid child support for years, essentially.
I was not trying to be deceiving in any way.
Shit.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked. Bamboozled. Led astray. Run amok.
Please. I'm telling you guys, you can't trust these knuckleheads as far as you can throw them, dude. Seriously. And guys, once again, this is all about this
always was the black queen, mama.
Culture. You know what I'm saying? It's ridiculous.
Yes. No, it's not even that culture. It's just women.
Well, it's 10 times worse with knuckleheads who look like this. Trust me.
Versus Brandon Chilton. Today is
The court will note the appearance of Ms. Greenlee-Clore on behalf of the plaintiff. This matter is before the court on the plaintiff's motion for repayment of overpayment of child support. I've read the pleadings, Ms. Greenlee-Clore. Is there anything else you have to add?
The only other thing I have to add, Your Honor, is looking back at the documents, the calculation, first of all, Ms. Chilton is an intelligent woman. She knows how child support works. The child support calculation that was giving her so much child support had her income at $15,000 per year. When we recalculated child support, the child support was at $50,000 per year for Ms. Chilton's income. And that was what it was recalculated on. There's no way that Ms. Chilton knew, or there's no way that she did not know that child support shouldn't have been at that level that it was at. And I don't know that is at, that's not up for debate today because it's already been modified. But at this point, my client's kind of stuck where he's overpaid child support for years, essentially, to Ms. Chilton, but he has no way to get any of that child support back. And
look at that, guys. No way to get that child support back.
But they know how to get it from the man, though.
Exactly. Isn't that funny, guys? And this is why the red pill needs to be here. Winnie, what's going on? Because guys, once again, I talked about this. Well, guys, drop a 1 in the chat if you dealt with some blue-pilled soy milk drinking Moron. Man, you sound like you hate women. You didn't just say you're acting like conspiracy theory, like the system ain't fair. Right? And guys, those types of guys don't even argue. Just look them in the eyes and say, "You can't handle the truth," and walk away.
Were you quoting from the comment section?
Huh?
Were you quoting from the comment section?
What do you mean? Oh,
the blue pill guy.
And guys, once again, I always say, hold on, where is it? Whoops, hold on.
What? No. You always say what?
Yes, guys, this is gonna be us, man. Like I said, all these blue pill guys, right? We'll be waiting for them, sitting on a pile of tires, guys.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
That's us right there. That's us, guys, right there. I'm telling you guys. All these chicks, all these dudes that are saying, "Oh, you sound like you hate women. You sound like you hate your mom." Right? They're gonna get kicked in the sack, and they're gonna be crying all alone in the little basement apartment because that'll be all they can afford after they get their balls burned in a divorce or whatever, and then they're gonna be clicking through the internet, right? And they'll see all of us sitting on a pile of tires, guys. I'm telling you.
I'm still laughing at that. You hate your mom.
I told you guys too, man. All these guys. Oh, the red pill is dead. Like every 14 months, the red pill is dead, man. It's just one guy that did that. You guys, nope. As long as there's, especially as Gen X, like younger Gen X and older millennials are starting to get divorced en masse. One day at a time, dude. Your audio is not connected. So if you didn't do it, you got to go out, come back in it. It'll ask you to connect your audio, dude. So
yeah,
I'll bring
there's
you
an issue with StreamYards in the microphones today.
Oh really? Well,
yeah.
Okay. Well, just keep trying it, man. We'll see.
As our motion indicated, he tried to pursue this. It didn't come back. And I think what we need to do is we probably need an order from this court with how this is supposed to get paid so that if he does need to, he can pursue collection action.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. In Michigan, both parties' income is considered for the calculation of child support. So by mom using a lower income, instead of it increased the child support. So
Sheldon, what's your response?
Here we go.
Good morning. At the time when this was calculated, as I presented to the court, I was only working part-time.
Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
Calculated.
Ms. Sheldon, what's your response?
We now come back for you.
That's her response. Hey, one day at a time, dude. Try calling in again, bud.
Good morning. At the time when this was calculated, as I presented to the court, I was only working part-time, and the order was based on that part-time work.
But here's the thing, guys, and you guys have seen from my videos, right? Guys, who are the biggest simps that there are, right?
The pro-blacks and the conservatives.
No.
Mexicans.
No, dude, no, they're not. No, Hispanics. No, Hispanics don't put up with no foolishness from no woman.
No, I mean Mexicans, not Spanish. I mean Mexican.
Brent, here Hispanic means Mexican. We use one word for all of them, right? And guys, I used to live in Texas. Yo, no Hispanic dudes. Simping is not part of Hispanic culture. It's not. in general. I've never met a Mexican, Colombian, Ecuadorian dude that was a simp, right? You know what I'm saying? Though they have a patriarchal culture. Trust me. You know what I'm saying, guys? No,
Tell that to my brother-in-law because apparently missed the PSA.
Yeah, but isn't he a Canadian though?
Yeah, he's a Canadian chili pepper.
Trust me, dude. No, the biggest simps.
Lesbian.
Yo, dude.
Yeah.
Yo, lesbians
culture.
they get annihilated by other chicks, dude. Straight up, man. It's crazy. I'll have to do another video of these chicks talking about the craziness that they've gone through. You know, their girlfriends robbed them, did all types of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
so
they should have picked better then.
yeah, facts. Yep. And guys,
So
here's the thing.
back.
How do I always start all the videos that are
Lesbians.
right? All these chicks like, oh, because guys, there's a small percentage of chicks that are actually
Lesbians.
but I believe that the large amount now are just girls that think it's cool because of TikTok, right? And these chicks like, oh my god, I'm gonna have so much fun dating now because there's no toxic men. I'm gonna date women, yay! And then they start dating chicks, and guys,
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked. Bamboozled. Led astray. Run amok.
they find out everything men say about dating chicks is true. It's crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, yeah, dude, like
All right,
here we go.
Find out everything men say about.
Hold on, guys. Hey, one day turn off YouTube in the background. There we go. What's up, man?
So
you made it. You were saying, Brent?
I apologize. It's off.
No worries.
Sorry. What's up, fella?
What's up, Brent?
The algorithm sent me. I love you guys.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Brent, you were saying?
So a while back, I did check. 3 weeks is all it lasted. She dumped me, stole $2,000 from one friend of mine. Then did a check and stole $10,000 off her. And then flew word off halfway across the province.
That's crazy, dude. And here's the thing. She's probably getting away with it. She's just going from person to person stealing. But this was a guy. Guys, oh man, there was a video of a restaurant that was like trying to help these chicks find this guy that was leaving them with the bills for dates. Isn't it crazy how chicks do that to guys all the time? Bullying guys do that to girls. It's a crime that they can call the cops for.
Yep.
Absolutely insane. So,
well, that's like summer. A chick hits you. It's nothing. You so much as take 3 fingers and put her on her face. And I don't even mean with any aggression. But if you just push her away with 3 fingers, next you know, that's assault. That's abuse.
Well, look, I don't care. I believe in equal rights and equal lefts. Get over here! John, I wish someone
hell yeah
would put their hands on me, dude. Seriously. Because here's the thing, guys. A lot of these chicks, it escalates. Guys, okay, so I know that we try and joke around. Guys, that's the one thing that I try to not joke around about is DV. Guys, never, ever let anyone put their hands on you. What do we always say? Say, guys, press charges. If she won't leave your house, press charges. If she puts her hands on you, press charges. If she busts the window out your car, press charges. You know what I'm saying? Did you guys see that game is game guy got his girl hit him on his live stream? Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about? Yeah, the game is game guy. Yeah, and then he kicked her out and she bust the window out the back of his car. So, guys, yeah, man, seriously. And here's the thing:
Then she popped the windshield too, or
I don't know.
She got
I know she
stopped.
broke the back window. So, but okay.
Of June or whenever that school year ended. And again, as I put in my answer, that I was not going to be working over the summer because I was going to school. And then once I went back to work in August, which, I did have a full-time job at that time, that is when I submitted the documentation to the child support court that I was in fact earning more money. So I did submit documentation. I didn't understate any income. We had to submit documentation to the court at that time to prove my income at that time. And so I don't feel like it is at my fault that that the child support stayed in that way. Once I submitted documentation to the court of my full-time employment, it had not changed, so I took it back to the court. I submitted it twice.
I swear to God, she says, one more time, I'm going to get the wood chipper out.
In the doc.
Oh, one day at a time. You there? I hope it's not my end that's acting up. Jameson, you said StreamYard has been acting up, right? Lately? Oh, I guess that's a yes. Okay.
Yeah, today. It even said that there was an issue that they were trying to resolve.
Okay. Well, StreamYard ever acts up, guys, I can use Zoom. I can use StreamYard and then share Zoom and do the call-in through Zoom. So.
And supporting
either way,
that
I'm so tired of hearing.
Yeah.
Documentation to the court twice. So I submitted. I did everything that I knew to do. I was not trying to be deceiving in any way.
Please.
I submitted the information that I had that I knew that I needed to submit, and that income was based on him working more at that time, and then he went on to a different job that caused him to make less. So the recalculation, I'm not sure where the $50,000 is coming from, but again, I was not working prior to that due to COVID. And then we started working.
But you sure did keep accepting that.
And the child care
money,
that I was asking to be paid for at that time was not being paid
Say it
for.
one more time.
That's when the child support came up. Because he wasn't meeting his obligation.
Brent's gonna lose his mind. Brent's gonna lose his mind.
I swear I hear one more time.
If she starts saying I'll be over there with you.
I know, dude.
That we had agreed upon.
Okay. Well, in this particular case, I'm not going to address the issue of the amount of support because that was changed and it's already been resolved. I understand the arguments, but it would be inequitable to charge the plaintiff an amount, and again, it would in essence have him paying over $7,000 that he should not have had to have paid had it been calculated at that correct amount at that particular time. So the court is going to grant the motion for the repayment. Greenlee Court, what I'm going to do is order that the amount of $6,891 would be repaid over the same term that it was collected. So if it was collected over, I think you said over 12 months, then that would be repaid over 12 months. If it was longer, I just don't know based upon the pleadings that are filed over what time that was collected. So I'll simply order that you can.
Dude, he actually ruled in his favor.
Well, this judge is always straight.
Yeah.
Based.
Yeah. Figured out when it was collected and then have the repayment over the same term.
Your Honor, so just to clarify, dating back, so the court backdated support to March of 2022. Are you saying March of 2022 to today would be the repayment period?
No, I'm saying the time that he paid the overpayment, that the repayment would be over the same
Did you
term.
guys hear?
So
Did you hear
if
it?
it was 12.
Did you guys hear the smoke alarm in the background? Dude, right there. We all know what that means, right? We all know what that means.
You didn't have second thoughts. Now you're a single mom. Now you're a single mom.
Months, if it was 18 months, I don't know, from the time that he began paying that 764 and the time that it changed to the 34. So it would just be repaid over the term that it was paid.
Okay, and equal monthly installments, Your Honor?
Yes.
And then
Reverse
no,
child
we
support.
also made a request for attorney fees in this case. Is that
I'm not going to award attorney fees in this case. It sounds like there were enough issues and problems in the case to go along. I don't hold anybody responsible for that.
okay? Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. You're free to go. You can submit that under 7 days.
$35 a month.
There was a fraud committed on the court. Plaintiff had filed a motion to set
Jesus
aside
Christ
referee
almighty.
recommendation, claiming that the defendant was making more than that she had
Wait,
told the court.
it switched?
Sir, at the hearing,
I sent out. I sent out the like I said, I sent out the subpoena for it, but I never got the information.
okay. Well, what the court's going to do is the court can't just speculate as
I
to
have another one
what
here.
somebody's
Hold on, guys.
testimony may have been. What I'm
Can
going
I-
to do, no,
Can I
you
say
can't.
something?
You don't need to, ma'am. What I'm going to do is I'm going to deny your motion, sir. If in fact you get information that in fact her testimony was in.
Guys, have we seen this one? With this guy? Hold on.
Off of work due to medical
I was gonna
reasons, so
say-
he's
From the state. Okay. All right, Mr. Bates, this is an objection hearing. At this hearing, I have to treat you like an attorney. So do you have an opening
Master
statement,
Bates.
sir?
I don't have an opening statement as far as prepared like an attorney, but
Of course you don't. Knucklehead, get a lawyer. What are you doing? Have we seen this one, guys? Jameson?
Master Bates.
No, he's saying, I don't have a statement, but I have a vanilla envelope and I just came back from Kinko's.
A vanilla envelope, and I went to Kinko's. You know what I'm saying? And
No,
guys,
I think we've seen this judge before, but I don't think we've seen this video.
guys, I don't. So the reason why I do this is, one, to show how these 304s can't stand the fact that they have to be child support some of the time. But then also to show, guys, this guy, why are you doing this to yourself?
Yeah. I don't recognize Judge Leslie Nielsen here.
Yeah, yes, but yeah, you do. This is Judge Cummets. Yes, he bends dudes over too. You remember Judge Cummets, Jameson?
Judge Kamets me, bro.
Yeah, seriously. Yeah, we remember, and we remember her too. Yeah, I don't think we've seen the I have this saved, but
I'm here just to try to get more time with my son as far as spring break and holidays. You guys allow her to do whatever she wants with our parenting time. There's no penalty.
Well, there's been a
that's not a good way to start out there, Playboy.
recommendation that was issued.
Yeah, referring to the judge as you guys is never a good idea.
Yeah.
So the burden is yours. Miss Markham, do you have?
Do you see the misandry here? Do you see this? Dad's mad. Same story, different day. Completely discounting. Look, the way this guy's going about this is not correct, but the hurt is real. You know what I'm saying? This guy wants to see his son, but the mom has got the whole friggin' state, the whole country against the guy, and it's not funny. You know what I'm saying? Like, we do this as a teachable lesson, but this guy is pissed off. You know what I'm saying? People don't understand, because I've been to the actual courthouse day at a time. A camera's on there, dude. You want to turn that off? So, guys, I've been to the courthouse and actually seen the dudes outside of family court. You want to see a depressing thing, dude, and you wonder why so many dudes self-delete because of this stuff. This is not a game, and it's not funny. You know what I'm saying? And people, you would think that they would at least try and be impartial, whoever's doing the subtitles here.
Have an opening statement.
No, I'm just here to respond to what I need to respond to.
Okay, Mr. Bates, do you wish to call your first witness?
The basics. No, I don't have any witnesses except myself. And like I was saying, go ahead.
Do you wish to call your first witness?
Myself, yes.
Okay. Please raise your right hand, Mr. Bates. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in giving testimony? Yes. Obviously, in a situation like this, you're not represented, so questioning yourself would make you look rather silly. So yeah. I'm going to let you let you testify on what's called the narrative. You've read the recommendation. What is it you request? Tell me why and what.
Like in the response, it says that I believe it was Miss Judy who did this whole deal, but whoever said that she knows I have the best interest at my child, and he should be able to be with me. But I feel that the kickback you guys get from the state, you don't want me to have my child more and have.
No, it looks like he's tweaking.
Yo, that look now. Okay,
he looks like a tweaker.
There is some measure of truth to that, okay? Because the judge, like I said, the state gets child support money from the federal government, and the judge gets a percentage of that and the lawyer fees. So guys, it's not cap, right? But at the same time, probably not the best way to go around this. You know what I'm saying? I mean to go forward, you know?
I don't know where you get that. We don't get any kickback.
Yeah.
I'm assuming you're end in an hour or so. You're gonna end in an hour or so.
Yeah.
Have you watched Logan the Wolf?
Logan the Wolf. Is it a show?
Logan the movie with Hugh Jackman?
No. It's actually kind of better.
Like a Twilight thing?
No, it's a show.
No, it's a fan film of Wolverine. I gotta check.
Yeah, but
I heard about that.
Yeah.
It's actually got better quality.
Check out. There's a Darth Maul movie that these college kids did. Dude, it's like the best Star Wars I've seen since Return of the Jedi. And also, guys, there's a Judge Dredd movie called Judge Minty that's really, 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 really good too.
You say it's the best Star Wars, but is there a strong independent woman in there?
Right? It doesn't have all the.
I am woman, hear me roar, and numbers too big to ignore.
Have you guys seen the Haji kid that does the Jurassic Park short horror stories?
No.
Here, drop the link in the private chat if you can. You know what I mean? So
I'll put it up.
A day at a time. Are you in the Discord?
No, not at all. I was having a few drinks. I've been following you for like 2 weeks, and I hit the link, and now I'm in the show. I don't know what the hell's going on.
So we have a Discord, and then so we also have a locals that'll be going live here soon. And once again, guys, I'll be doing at least 2 extra lives on locals for you guys, and then we're gonna do. So for all you guys who are on here, I have a second channel, and that's 50 and 304s. You guys know that almost every live we end up doing body cam footage, right? But guys, I have a channel that's dedicated to this. So guys, thank you. I just hit 1,200 subs over there. So thank you guys so much for that. Like I said, guys, this is just a hobby, watching body cam footage, and I'd rather sit here and watch it with you guys. So guys, round of applause.
Let's go! Let's go!
Guys, check out Judge Minty. It's a Judge Dredd film. And does anyone know about Judge Dredd? Anyone? Anyone read the comics?
Yeah. You don't know about the 3 shells in the bathroom?
No, that's Demolition Man.
Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah. So guys, you guys know that judges when they were tired, they could make the long walk out into the cursed earth, right? Well, this guy, he retires, and he has to go out in the wastelands and kill all these mutants. It's so gangster, dude. It's so good. It's so good, man. You guys gotta check it out. So it's crazy, like, cause what I told you, like regular terrestrial media, cable, regular TV, even regular even Hollywood is cooked. You know what I'm saying, guys? Why would you watch cable when you could watch like YouTube or any type of streaming or anything else? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather sit and laugh at body cam footage with you guys than watch anything on cable. You know what I'm saying? So,
I canceled cable 5 years ago.
I canceled cable 5 years ago.
What are you saying, Brent?
Are you familiar with Hellraiser and Nightbreed?
Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Look up, I think it's Hellraiser Nightbreed Jihad.
Here, put the title in the private chat.
No doubt, though, cable is dead.
Yeah. Yep. And guys,
give me 1 second to drop out.
Now you can put it in the Brent. If you stay in, you can go and there's a private chat in StreamYard. So if you actually hit the chat button, you can put stuff in our private chat. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but my phone doesn't support multi interfaces.
Okay. Well, no. Meaning, Brent, if you look where you're at in StreamYard now, there's a little thing that says chat. You stay in StreamYard. It's not multi anything. You know what I'm saying?
It's next to the mic and cam buttons.
Yeah. Yep. Just don't hit the Anyways.
From the state. There is no such thing.
Okay. Maybe not you personally. I'm not saying you personally.
No, the court doesn't either.
I'm not saying you personally.
No, the court doesn't either.
So
actually, we do this gratis because the federal government gives some stipend for a collection of child support.
There it is. Wait, whoa! Do you guys hear that? What did he just say? He said that's not true. Yeah. We don't get kickbacks, but
we get a kickback.
Actually, we do this gratis because the federal government gives some stipend for a collection of child support.
Look at that.
They do not give us any stipend to deal with any parenting time issues.
No, not the parenting time.
This is all on the this is all in the county. This is on the county's dime.
I'm not okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But
no,
I just don't see why I can't have my child.
They get food stamps. Men can't pay child support. We get jail time.
Yeah, and it's funny because guys, and here's the gag too. Let's just say that Jameson is working at Google, right? And he's making $300,000 a year, and then some broad that he knew that he had a one-nighter with gets pregnant, and then wants Section 8 TANF, which is welfare, or just welfare and food stamps. And the welfare and the food stamps equals about $800 a month. they come after Jameson for like $7,000 a month for child support, or for $5,000 a month. He's paying $5,000 a month. The state keeps the rest of that money. Oops.
I thought I was telling you that in confidence.
So she's only getting $800 worth of benefits, but the state's keeping the difference. Isn't that nuts? And then the judge gets a percentage of that. So
in the summer, he's at his grandmother's house while she's at work. I have a flexible schedule. He can be with me, even if it's during the day. And we make arrangements to drop him back off. Like, he's not outside.
How old is he?
He's 12. Well, 11. He's going to be 12.
Okay, what do you do for a living, sir?
I work in a candy factory. Well, not factory, but
okay, what are your work hours?
They're flexible, but usually 9 to 5 or something like that. But they're very flexible.
Okay. And where would the child be if you were working 9 to 5?
That's what I was getting at. I can make arrangements for that. I can go in later. I can. My job is very flexible. I can take days off.
Is his normal daycare provider her mother?
That's what he tells me.
Okay. So you could actually go to work if we gave you some time during the summer. You could go to work, leave the child at his normal babysitter, and pick the child up, and then you have the child for the evening and the overnight.
Oh, that's right, guys. There's a video of a guy with this. He had 10 kids by like 9 different chicks, and baby mama number 9 was trying to take him to child support court. Good luck with that, dude.
That as well. That I'm open. I'm trying to be open here.
Okay, so is the only thing we're arguing over here on summers?
And spring break, she does not abide by the parenting time. She just went to Florida.
That's why they issued this order, to make sure that it was much better laid out as to what.
Right. But she doesn't. Sorry, I'm a little excited. She doesn't follow it. For instance, I just filed several complaints. She took my son on my weekend to Florida, and I missed my weekend and the following Wednesday. She does this just because you guys allow her to. She's empowered. She has no penalties. I don't get any makeup time. It's been years of this. I just submitted complaints. She does it time and time and time again with no penalty. She was threatened jail time by somebody once, and she straightened her act up. But she just recently took him to Florida during my weekend. I missed my weekend and my Wednesday, and nothing's coming of this. That's what I'm getting at. Even if we don't.
I'm reading the recommendation here.
This guy just doesn't. I mean, here's the thing. You know, Mr. Bates over here thinks that the judge cares. Right? Yeah. Yep. David says he's screwed. Yep. Facts. Yep.
I'm trying to figure out, because normally this is a lot more in depth than it does some things that the court has found problematic, such as dividing a spring break. Normally we give every other spring break. Dividing the spring break tends to cause more headaches than help.
He's one of the
Miss Markham, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in giving testimony?
I do.
All right, ma'am. Is your mother the normal daycare provider for this child?
Yes, and
okay.
He has an older sister as well, who's 25, and she's off of work due to medical reasons. So he's with them both in the summer.
Because normally the court orders every other holiday, and it's split in such a way that if you get Halloween this year, the other side gets Halloween next year.
And that's what the recommendation was proposed for.
No, it's not. That's it doesn't follow that type of.
Look at him, dude. Look at him.
You get every other spring break. You get half the Christmas break. One year you'll get the first week. The other year you'll get the second week. You get every other spring break. And at the age, once the child is hit 12, we typically do split the summers in such a way that the first full week of summer goes to the mother. The last full week goes to the mother. But every other week during the summer goes to between both of you, your weekend plus your 5 days. But the contingency here would be that he would use your mother or the older sister as the daycare, so that he can go to work. And if he has a week that he has completely off, then he can keep the kid. I mean, that's pretty standard for almost every
Well,
parenting time.
we were practicing before we had, anything put in place that he would have him 2 weeks out of the summer. Just let me know which 2 weeks you want. And that's how we've been practicing.
You guys listen to that language. Let me know what 2 weeks you want. And guys, what's with this chick on the up? What's with her face? She looks like she's sucking on a jalapeno or something, right? Like, look at that.
That's why we do it, because then you get the first full week. So in other words, if school ends on a Wednesday, the full week would be the following week, and then whatever.
He looks like Cub Swanson, the guy on the bottom right.
Is attached to his weekend. He gets the Monday through Friday, and then you would get the following your weekend attached to the Monday through Friday. That's pretty standard for most of this. And,
well, as far as, spring break and holidays, the recommendation says we're splitting it. Odd years go to him and even years go to me. So
yeah, at this point, I think I'm going to adopt most of this, but it's going to be every other spring break. We're not splitting the spring break in half.
No, that's,
yeah.
I think that's what we agreed on.
Yeah, I mean, and again, we don't split a holiday. You get every other holiday because the kid can't eat 2 dinners at the age of 12.
No. This Carissa Judy chick makes as many faces as Sack Rider. Man.
Yeah.
Rough.
Look at her face.
So each of you would get a full Easter day. If it falls on your weekend, then you get the whole weekend. Sure. If Memorial Day falls on your weekend, you get all 3 days. If it's the other side's weekend, you only get the Memorial Day. Okay. In other words, the every other weekend is the anchor. That doesn't change. The rest of the time is something else.
The anchor. Oh, nice.
So I think I would adopt the most of this, and I'm going to grant some of what Mr. Bates has requested, because that's standard, is the every other spring break and essentially every other week in the summer, which gives him about 4 weeks, and it gives you about 4 weeks. Because school breaks are but I mean we're going to make this in order so that we have standard times, so that both of you should know what's about to happen, and so should the child.
That's
that way
red hot. Ugh, hold on, guys. You know what? Sidebar here. Guys. All right. Jameson, Pyro, Day at a Time, Brent. What candies can you not stand? With me, hold on. Crow's candy. Ugh, these are disgusting, guys. And in the chat, put the candies that you think are disgusting.
Black licorice.
Yeah, black licorice, dude. Disgusting.
It tastes like ants.
Yeah.
Who eats ants?
And then they have blackjack.
No, you wait.
Blackjack
do you know that?
gum is black licorice gum? Yeah, dude.
Dude, there's no bad candy. There's no bad candy.
You like black licorice?
No, I only eat red licorice.
I thought you said there was no bad candy. All right, hold on.
You're right.
Jameson, and then Pyro, and then A Day at a Time, and then Brent. Candy that you can't stand.
Apparently, my stomach can't handle sugar-free candy, but I'll say Good and Plenty's.
Oh yeah, black licorice again. Yuck, dude, these are disgusting, and they trick you because they look good, but then you take a bite out of them and they're disgusting. Steve says Smarties, blasphemy. Oliver says Tootsie Rolls.
I'm gonna roll Smarties. Dude.
What? Here, dude. Halloween comes. Give all your Smarties to me, dude, because I like them. They're
send me your P.O. box, you son of a bitch.
Someone said, hold on. Someone said, black licorice, candy corn. Yeah, candy corn is foul too, dude. Yes. Pyro.
Yeah.
Candy you don't like.
To tell the truth, we don't have that much candy over in Jamaica. Like the bad ones, from we taste that one black licorice, we start checking out all different candies to not bring to Jamaica.
No wonder the Jamaicans are always so cut and ripped.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine someone goes to Jamaica and it's like, here, try these pink and what color? Try these pink and white things. A Mr. Jamaican guy, and he takes a bite.
Bomba card.
Oh man, it's disgusting, nasty. A day at a time. Candy you don't like. You said Smarties.
Smarties.
Okay. Brent.
Surprisingly, depending on their Canadian or American, M&Ms.
Oh, regular M&Ms or like peanut ones?
No, peanut ones are good. Peanut ones.
Huh?
The peanut ones.
Really? You don't like peanut M&Ms?
No, those are good. The ones with peanut butter are better.
Oh yeah,
if they come from the States, they taste stale. Like it's like chocolate and chalk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
but if they're fresh delivered, they're good.
Well, I can tell you that that Canadian candies do differ from American candies, because I do know that you guys' Kit Kats are different than ours, and then you guys' Oreos are different than ours too.
Yep.
Even though whiskey is different.
The what?
Whiskey.
Yeah.
Really?
All of it.
Just
Avoid
just avoid the green M&M.
Dude, Canada doesn't get anything that Americans get. I mean, it's like different here.
All right, let's get back to it, guys, and then we'll switch gears.
Wait, everybody's on the same page.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it can be set in stone.
Right.
Thank you.
And that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to issue an order that does that. I'm going to break this down.
You guys know the biggest goof that a company's almost ever made? Guys, what was the candy in E.T.?
Oh, wow. Was it Reese's Pieces?
Yes. Do you guys know who Steven Spielberg
approached? Was it Reese's Pieces or
Gobstoppers? They asked Hershey if they could use M&Ms, and M&Ms said no, and that has to go down as one of the dumbest moves they've ever done. Because that Reese's was like on the way out. You know what I'm saying? So they didn't, but that E.T. is one of the biggest movies ever. They got product placement in one of the biggest movies of all time. Oopsie.
I thought they were Gobstoppers.
Oopsie.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in a grid over many different front of the courts.
And in the recommendation itself, there is a grid there.
There is?
Yes, page 4 of 5.
Different
So
flavors.
there was, I kind of incorporated into the request from both parents, and then the recommendation did have that grid.
Alrighty, and I'm going to issue that grid. Is there any questions? That way you have specific times and dates. You'll have specific times when you know if it's your odd year that you get this date. If it's an even year, you know you get this date. Okay.
Yes. So on Mother's Day, it will be his weekend, but on Sunday.
But you Sunday you get Mother's Day, and if it's your weekend on Father's. By the way, that one tends to hit both of you over a 3-year span.
We went through all that.
Yeah. Mother's Day always goes to mother. Father's Day always goes to father.
Right.
If it's
I'm
your
just saying
if it's
falls on his weekend.
Yeah. If it's your weekend, great. If it's not, most parenting time.
Oh, that's another one. Charleston Chew. Blech. You want to talk about tricking you? It's like, ooh, chocolate. It's got that nastiness on the inside.
At 7:30 on holidays, so that you have time to get them to dinner and stuff. And then because if we ended at 6, who has time to feed them dinner? So, but the typical is 7:30. So what I'm ordering is what normally would be ordered. Except I kind of, like I said, I've had this spring break type of thing before, and no, it does not work.
They really think that like 304s are okay with giving Father's Day? You know that's the
problems.
Exactly.
Oh, this
That's
time.
the one day.
So you'll get the full holiday of a holiday.
Yeah, they say we're mom and we're dad.
Yep, you know it.
What is it? What'd you say? Charleston Chew?
Charleston Chew is it's like a chocolate bar, and it's got like like
vanilla and strawberry filling
inside.
Ew.
It's disgusting. Yeah, dude. Charleston Chew, disgust. It's one of those old timey candies that have been around for a long time, and I don't even know who eats it. Guys, what are some old timey candies?
Boston beans.
Man, I feel like Heath bars are like old timey.
Yeah,
because
Heath
is like weird.
Disgusting.
Eat Moors and Big Turks.
What is it, Brent?
Eat More and Big Turk.
More candy bar? What is that?
It's literally just peanuts and nougat. Ain't
Just
no
peanuts and
chocolate
nougat.
to it.
What about
you know, like
a Mary Jane?
Candy corn's pretty basic.
Remember these Mary Janes?
The honey flavor ones.
Yeah, you mean bitter honeys?
Oh, bitter honey. Oh, that's
yeah.
good.
I love these things, man. I keep these all day. These are good. The 100 grand. Oh, these are good.
Oh, those were good commercials.
Yeah,
those are really
these are
good commercials,
man. Now, guys, who in the world eats mounds? You know what I'm saying? Like, what in the world? Like, because you have what's the other one called? The one with the nuts
Almond
in
Mounds.
Almond Joy. Almond Joy.
Almond Joy are gross.
And then you got mounds.
Hey, this chocolate's pretty good. How do you make it disgusting?
Yeah, let's. Okay, and then you know what the worst is? When someone gives you like a box of chocolate when you were young, and they were like, "Here, you can have one. Only choose one," and you chose the only coconut one out of the whole damn thing. Pissed me off. You know what I'm saying? But old timey.
Windshield now. Boston baked beans.
Someone says Zagnut. Yeah, look.
Candied apples.
Oh,
look at these Zag nuts, dude. Look at that. Almond Roca. Yeah, look at that, dude. And then and then someone else had said, that's it, the Chico stick. Remember that?
Oh, that's so good. Chico stick's so good.
The other one, it was like Cowtails or something.
Yeah.
Chico stick.
Yeah, Cowtail candy.
It was snap into Slim Jim.
Yeah. Look at that, man. Anyways, guys, here, let's hold on. Let's see. Let's go back here, and I'm gonna pull this up because
normally the first half of Thanksgiving goes from Wednesday to Friday. So if it's not being ignored, that's just not what's being this hearing. I was trying to figure out what that was because when I started this hearing, I brought it in the front of the court because I'm like, I don't see a show cause before the court on this. I see something about an objection, which is unusual for this time period. Miss Judy, what are you doing about any makeup time or any time missed
not
or
a
show
damn
cause?
thing.
What's going on with that?
So this complaint was actually from November.
November for Thanksgiving, correct?
We did receive Mr. Bates' complaint for the recent dates like he's talking about. That is in process. So we still have to go through getting her response.
So that's not being ignored. That's just not what's being at this hearing.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I also have dates and proof of.
And that's why she said it's in
extra time. Yeah, that I give it.
That's why she said this is in process so that you have an ability to respond.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
And also, I would like the exchange times to be at 8. Like example, summertime, he's not in school.
Right.
We do it on Wednesday. She's saying that he has to do homework and stuff. Our exchange time on Wednesday is 8 o'clock.
That I'm not exchanging. I'm not changing the Wednesdays. I'm just dealing with the holidays.
Okay. Oh, just holidays?
That's all I'm dealing with.
Okay.
That's all that seems to be before the court. I don't have anything else.
Well, I received several emails, and I thought
the only thing before the court is what the paperwork says, and it was an objection to this
that
holiday
was-
time.
Okay.
Well, and the worst.
How is the ex-wife? What are you talking about? How's the ex-wife? I think you got the wrong guy, Dream Touch.
Part is I'm kind of stuck because that's all I was given. So
Right,
and like Miss Judy just said, a lot of that is probably because what's in process is the contempt hearings that are being looked at, and to put them together so
Or
that
do
there's
you
an
mean
appropriate
this guy's ex-wife?
way to look at each of those days to determine if there's a contempt charge and or if there's makeup parenting time that's appropriate.
Is there any way, like time-wise, I'm going to know when another hearing
I
will
have
be?
no
Because this
idea.
happened before,
I have no idea.
and it's just getting
because-
swept under the rug.
Here we go.
Like,
It doesn't sound like it's being swept under the rug. It sounds like the front of the court tried to issue something that was appropriate. That's why we're here.
not
And
about the
they're also trying to deal with your concerns and the mother's concerns. They're trying to put that together in a format that the court.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. All righty. They try to get it right. Like I said, there is no stipend for this. They're doing this at the taxpayer's expense in the county of Kent.
I also pay taxes too, though.
Yeah, I know. So do I. And, like I said, though, but there is no money. This is not a money-driven thing. This is we all got to get through this. And it is what it is.
Another thing, if I may, about my job being flexible, my primary job is to make the product. Like I make candies and fudge. I can be there when the store's closed. So what I'm getting at is he won't even need to have an outside childcare. I'm not saying he's giving them every day. I'm just letting the court know that I can work whenever I want, but I can go in the stores. My job is
I understand.
very
I'm
flexible.
saying if you need to utilize it for your work, you utilize it.
I do not.
If you do not, then you're the one that needs to be with him.
Right, exactly. Like
Okay.
he's not. When he's with me, he's with me. I'm just what I'm putting out, I guess, is there's less need for him to be with his grandparent or his sister. She just stated she's off work for a medical condition. He's not a baby. He doesn't need childcare like that.
Well, he
But-
doesn't need child care after the age of 12.
No.
So, but
I'm just
if
saying.
what I'm doing is trying to do what he's used to. If he's used to having somebody there for him, great,
He's really
utilize
not-
that.
I will be there for him.
If you are there with him, that's a whole nother matter. Like I said, if you get time off, you can take the kid for the whole week. You can go on a vacation just as she can go on vacation on her weeks.
Right.
And he's taking him to work with him.
That
So
is-
that's fine.
Yeah.
too.
You're okay with him taking him to work? Well, it is.
He tells me he has fun, so I'm.
I was gonna say it's a candy shop. Never mind.
Exactly.
Exactly.
He could come to
They really
work
want
with me.
Okay.
They really want
I'm going to
the-
say for the first time ever in how many years I've been doing this that I'll let you take the kid to work. Normally I say the exact opposite. So a kid in a candy shop. Yeah.
There's not too much candy.
Okay. Just add tomorrow that I've never said. This is
annoying me. Sorry, guys. But here, guys, let us switch gears here. Okay.
But they're all friends now.
They're all friends now, right, guys? Let's switch gears.
Oh, can we just watch Logan Short?
Hold on. Let's switch gears here.
Oh, wait,
Hey, guys,
no.
Here we are.
Surprise me.
Here we are, guys. Let me just change up the ambiance a little bit.
Yeah. Let's say somebody gets
Tell me
paid.
about it.
1 second.
Let's do it.
This is how we're starting out today.
I request by law.
And of course, this chick her dad's a lawyer. Okay, here we go.
Everything be recorded right now. It's not cute, bro.
On September
Is your
7th,
body camera
2023.
Guys, why do people act stupid at the airport? Why? Why?
Airport officers were
You-
dispatched to
you
a
get drunk
terminal in
before you go to the
response to an
airport.
intoxicated passenger causing a disturbance.
Cascadian, yep, you are correct. Yeah, the state gets 66 cents on the dollar, at least for every child support dollar collected. Yep.
She was reported to have left the initial location and sat near another gate.
Wait. Is she drunk? Here we are. A DFW, guys, of course. How
My
many times
hometown.
have we
I love
seen
that place.
DFW where people ask people, and guys, drop a 1 if you've been to DFW. That is the biggest airport I've ever been to. Guys, you will have like a layover, and you have to run. And to catch the train and to get to the part of the airport, because that airport is so big. It's super easy to miss your flight because DFW is ginormous. You know what I'm saying? So,
doing all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
What's going on?
I can vouch, man. The close to DFW costs like $4.
Well, I don't like people to lie.
What was that?
Oh, just to drive to DFW, if you drive in and drive out, it costs you like $6.
Wow, that sucks. That's how they get you, right?
Lie to me?
Yeah.
But if you don't want to talk to me, you don't have to. We're just checking on you. If you're all right, we're good.
I went to go check in to my flight. I was just trying to get to my friend. No, I'm just emotional. Why don't you understand?
How do you get this drunk at the airport, guys? How? And guys, there's one place you don't want to mess around. That's the airport, because once you're on that no-fly list, man, that's it. So, guys, I love Texas. San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, fun stuff, man. Houston,
I'm trying to get to my friend.
Don't go to Houston, but those are $9 Jack and Cokes.
Hey, a day at a time. That you keep speaking to the microphone a little more, so that we can hear you, because you sound kind of far away. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, my bad. It's headset. It's a headset.
It's all good, dude. You're all good. I can hear you now.
Yeah, like everybody is like, because you're like seeing in your pop uniform, so everybody's like, so they just like
She's
your...
trying to find Tyrone.
Freaking earlobes, you know? They're like, hey, what are you doing? I'm just trying not to disturb. Hang on.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, let me
What happened down there at 26?
What happened down there?
What happened?
What just happened is everybody, like, you're extremely good looking, so everybody was like walking by you and like, what happened at 26 was I didn't do anything. Like, I was like, hey, like, I'm trying to go here, like, and I was like, I'm trying to, and they were like, I didn't do anything. I was drinking a beer. Why can't I drink a beer?
You know, Brent doesn't like the ums. I can't stand the likes.
Yeah, like.
And I was
guys,
and
that's a West, guys. That's a West Coast thing, right? Jameson lives on the West Coast. Guys, I deprogram myself from saying like all the time. Terrible. And I used to say it all the time because everyone in Seattle, there's a Washington State, Oregon, California, used to say like, and then Jameson, do you remember Right On? Right on, dude. Right on. Right on. Oh my gosh.
And I got my friend on the phone. They're all law enforcement. We're all law enforcement. I'm not, but all of them are. So, and then for them to sit there and just like react the way they did, fucking set me off. Like, and I was like, oh, okay, this is what we're doing. Like,
So what happened? I wasn't there. I don't know. They just called and said that
my flight changed.
Okay.
And so I asked somebody, hey, like, can you tell me here, are you on? Trishy, I'll put you on speaker just so you know that everybody there saying, in case he tries to kill me or whatever.
Please! Please! Please, dude, who do you think you are? Friggin' El Chapo?
I was like, my flight changed. Like, that's all I said.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 glasses of wine. Does it matter?
Yes.
Well, yeah.
Does it?
Yeah. I
Here.
mean, to a point.
Can you record this?
I'm recording. I'm not gonna record with your phone, but my camera's recording.
She's trying to hand him her phone. Can you record this? What a knucklehead, guys. Please remember to drop a like on the stream. I'd appreciate that.
So what I had to drink tonight, I didn't have anything to drink tonight before that happened. And then I started drinking after that. Does that matter?
When did this happen? Because we just got called.
It happened after. Yeah.
Do you have like a time frame or?
The time between like my last flights.
I don't know when that was.
I know.
I don't know
So
when
what
your
does it
flight
matter?
So what's your plan? You just gonna chill here?
No, my plan is to get on a flight and go to Seattle. But y'all stop me.
Figures.
You're not going to Seattle.
And guys, if she lives in Seattle and she's a white girl, there's one thing that I can guarantee, guys.
You didn't have second thoughts. Now you a single mom. Now you a single mom.
The Northwest is the single mother capital of the world, dude. Absolutely insane. Seattle has more single moms. It's crazy.
Because you're.
Hold on, I didn't stop you.
I am such a menace to society.
Let's get that straight. Y'all didn't stop you. I don't work for the airline. I am a police officer with the airport. I didn't stop you. I don't know what has transpired during your day. So, I'm just here to make sure you're safe and they're safe and everybody's cool.
Get me to my flight.
It sounds like they're not going to fly you.
Yeah, because of what?
I don't know. I've been trying to ask you that since
That's
I
what
got
I'm
here.
trying to ask you. The same thing. I have nothing. The girl's got something with me. That's cool.
What?
But what she needs to do is go back to school to figure out, like, you can't, just because you hate somebody, you can't just stop their flights. Dude, that's a whole ass life.
No.
That's a whole ass life she's doing.
How does someone get this drunk, A, in public, and B, at the airport? That's crazy.
Oh my god, wait! Your lashes look better than me. Gonna stop your flight. Bye. She's that type of. Somebody needs to report her.
Oh, Cascadian said he lives in Oregon, just like Carlos X, man. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm done.
So let's go out down here at 25. Just gather up all your stuff.
Those
so we can
addicts
exit
can't
out.
deal with getting on like a 6-hour
To
flight.
figure out who is going to let me in on my flights to Seattle.
Let's see. Wintrell, you are now a mod, my friend. And let's see. Hold on, give me a second. And Rogue, you are now a mod. Just letting you know.
Now you're single, mod.
Now you're a single mod.
Dude, man, have you guys? Hold on. Have you guys seen? Dude, he's been dropping some bangers, dude. Hold on, let's.
Yes. I think I'm gonna turn him into soundboards also.
Dude, seriously, man.
Oh, yeah.
This is my favorite one. Hold on, where is it?
Okay,
well.
okay.
My baby daddy quit.
You are not. Thought I had a be home. Thought I had a 2-year-old, but you really never know. Yeah, you really never know. Some told me check the phone. Some told me check that phone. You've been talking to your ex, so I went and got a test. You lied to me. Girl, I went to test that DNA. Hell no.
No, guys, I can't play the whole thing because a lot of the music is actually copyright. So hopefully he doesn't take it down.
You are not. You lied to me. Girl, I went to test that DNA.
And then he has,
signs that someone's in a...
You know. Single mom.
Oh, damn.
Then he has, where is it?
Believe all women.
What am I supposed to do now?
Do narcissists change when you have a baby with them? And so,
Sometimes you gotta.
I
get a lot of emails. You know, everybody keeps thinking.
Where is it? Is it?
Oh, P. Diddy.
He hit it on no second thoughts. Now you're single and pregnant.
Pyro, you remember this song, right? You remember?
I remember.
And you're gonna have this kid if he's here or not. Now you're single and pregnant.
Yo! Homeboy does not miss, dude. Seriously. This dude, these 304s are gonna hire a friggin' hitman to take him out, dude. Hopefully none of that got the stream taken down, so we'll see.
Okay, they denied you boarding. So are you going to gather your stuff up or not? Because I've been trying to be patient with you and been nice with you the whole time.
Could I ask you why you denied my boarding?
I didn't deny you boarding, like I said.
Alright.
I don't work for the airline. American Airlines denied you boarding, not me. At this point in time, though, you're not a ticketed passenger. So, you can gather your stuff up. We're going to exit out 25. Now, I'm going to advise you, once and once only, this area is for ticketed passengers. If you don't listen to what I'm saying, if you don't leave, you're subject to trespassing, which is unarrestable.
My dad is law enforcement.
Congratulations.
Also,
You reek of alcohol, also. You're hammered right now. You're hammered drunk.
I'm not sitting here, but I'm not driving.
I'm ready if you are. All right.
Look, dude, this cop here said, "Hey, I'm ready to rock. I'm ready to rock." And she said,
You think I'm drunk, but that's not it. I just have mental health issues.
Stand up. Told you to leave. Don't resist.
There it is, guys. There it is.
That's the bio in the youth.
Look at this look on her face, dude.
Stand up. You're under arrest. Keep your hands behind your back, or I'll add resisting. Are you going to continue to resist?
Got my phone.
I'm not worried about your phone. Put your hands behind your back right now.
Whoa, look at that, guy. Steve says, so for the record, I wasn't that drunk, but they detained me for 2 hours in Korea, and I still made the flight to Japan. I don't party much, man. That's
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude.
Look at that, and look at that.
My phone.
Put your hand behind your back. See why they didn't board you.
Grab my phone.
I'm not worried about
Don't
your phone.
resist. That.
Oh, she got smushed.
Guys, the best things in life are free, dude. And of course.
Oh my god! Can I have my phone?
Right?
Oh,
sorry, guys.
I'm not resisting. I'm pregnant.
Sound warning for anyone wearing headphones.
You mean like a bench?
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. breathe?
Oh
Man,
my god!
you're screaming.
The research that you just did.
Guys, that airport carpet is not that clean.
Oh my god! Help! Help!
It's meant to last forever.
Stop.
Oh my god!
Now you just got assault on peace officer. You're gonna try to get her up? We don't even have a car here. She just kicked me. I know. We can go out 30. Charles, too. Let me try to run her on too. Ready? Yeah. Stand up. Stand up.
Is there anything in your bag that's going to fit?
You're on film.
Yeah.
You're on
Whole
film.
thing is, there's cameras everywhere. See that camera right there? It's got you kicking me.
Oh, you're cooked.
I'm not worried about it. Whoever's law enforcement would agree with me.
Uncle, it's your boss.
Can you imagine being walked through the airport, guys? Can you imagine?
Shame. Shame. Shame.
Joe Dash says that he's from Dallas. You do not want to go to Dallas County Jail, dude. Look at that.
Seriously. Garlic croutons, dude. Didn't know that.
I have no idea what you're saying because you're intoxicated.
Yeah. I'm in Dallas too. Don't mess around. Do not mess around.
This
shit. Put the cameras on. Put the cameras on.
Walk.
Put the cameras on. Put the cameras on. Put the cameras.
Hey, Wintrell, were you on the stream where the lady peed on herself, and then the guy was like, "I got pee all over me," and then he goes to the freaking hand sanitizer. It's like it was like bathing himself in hand sanitizer. The cop, that was hilarious.
What the fuck? Yeah, this is super intense. So intense.
They're going to prison? I don't think that you've grasped what the gravity of the situation here.
You're going to prison! That's like...
How do you want to do this? You want to do this the easy way or the hard way? You're not going to like the hard way.
I can sit down.
You can sit down? You going to keep acting like this? Or are you going to calm down?
Chicks love the hard way.
Which one?
It's all on video.
I know it's all on video. You're looking at 2 charges. We can add another if you want to. Or you can knock this shit off and sit in this chair. Which one do you want?
Yo. This cop's going to get a round of applause, dude.
Man, I'm telling you, police body cams is one of the most beautiful things to ever happen.
Isn't it? Isn't it great? Manic Mechanic, that Brandon Jamal guy that does the single mom song, he did that DNA song But the original song is by a guy named Wayne Wonder. So yeah, it's a banger.
All right, sounds like a good plan. Let's do this.
Yeah, she likes the hard way.
Sit down.
Oh, the chair.
Do your cameras on, officer?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. We see this.
Give her the
Hiding.
spit mask.
I am
Give her the
resisting
spit
arrest.
mask.
We call it the shower cap. That's what we call it. All right, so for all you guys that are new to 50 and 304s, right? Guys, we all know 50 means 50, 304s is 304s. Guys, so we call pepper spray the hot sauce, right? So we call it the hot sauce. And when they get pepper sprayed, guys, right? We call that Cinco de Mayo, okay?
All right.
Okay? And then when they get tased, we call it the Edison medicine, right? And it's Christmas when they get tased. So anytime you see them get tased, it's Merry Christmas. Because it's one of the most beautiful things you'll ever. It gives you that feeling like a warm Christmas morning, right? You know what I'm saying? And then when they have them in the full mask, you know what I mean? That's the Hannibal Lecter. And then when they wrap them up in the burrito, so we call that the Chipotle, right? And then when they put them in the car and they have to drag them in the car, we call that the drag queen.
I have blood on my hand from you, so yes, you did.
Yeah, because you fought.
I have blood on my hand from you.
I got,
She scratched him.
legs when you're ready.
Do you,
Alright.
Embarrassing.
is the camera still on? Put the camera still on. Because I swear to Bob, like, I will.
Swear to
every
Bob?
minute
Never
with
off,
you.
Bob.
Is it still on?
It's not gonna turn off.
The blood on my hand is the blood from you.
My blood.
Yeah, from you
You good?
smacking me. And guess what? You just lost your job. You just lost everything because guess what? It's
Or the other song is Return to the Mac that he did too.
all on video. All on video.
Huh? Yeah, let's do that.
All on
That
video.
shit really makes
Just
sense.
make sure that I don't
Hey.
kick anybody. I'm not kicking anybody.
You kicked me.
I'm telling you right now. If I get kicked, it's not going to be good for you.
I don't
okay?
kick anybody.
I'm just telling you that
kicking
right now.
anybody. Is it really on? Is somebody recording this?
Yeah, all of us. All right then.
And there it is, guys. There it is. They hog-tied her, dude. Yeah.
There we go.
Why don't I do that?
Yeehaw!
Turn around and sit down. Sit down like normal. Put your feet in there.
That's what she.
What a mess. Get in the car and
Sit up like normal.
Oh, there's the drag queen. Look at her.
God
Look
bless
at that
those yoga pants.
look the look on her face.
How dare you?
It's gonna be a long trip to the station, guys. Man, oh man. Just turn the music up. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
Never gonna say goodbye.
Never gonna tell a lie.
And hurt you.
What a bad
We're not
man.
strangers to love. You know the rules.
Wait,
and
F
so
you,
do
Jesus?
I.
What does Jesus have to do with any of this?
Jesus is a liar. He's a liar. Let's give it truth and light today. Worship Jesus today. Oh, guess what? So you get tortured by the rest of them.
I told you guys.
Damn, she's real mad at Jesus.
Anytime anything bad happens, all of these chicks want to bring up. I'm telling you, dude, it's crazy. Guys, and I'm not even religious. Conrad said he got rickrolled. Yeah. And I'm just telling you guys, these 304s use religion as like a cosmic Santa Claus. Just get out of things and blame everything else. Oh, I'm a single mom because it was God's plan. I have the herp derp because it was God testing me. Clown world.
You, Jesus! If you're real, save me from this shit! You're not real!
Alright, we're just gonna get you in there, get you settled in.
I request by law that everything be recorded right now.
It's still being recorded.
I
know we
request by
talked
law.
about
I
it.
need to see.
Hit the red button.
No, I need to see everything. Needs to be recorded right now.
It's being recorded. Remember, just like we talked about it. It's
Okay.
recorded. Yep. I got you. There's a camera right up there being recorded too.
I need to be everything.
Yeah,
needs to be
we
recorded
talked
right
about
now.
that. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep. So we're still on. All right, come on out. I know you got your legs. If you promise not to kick me, I don't mind taking those off of you.
I have never kicked.
Okay.
Oh, please!
I didn't say you did, but are you?
So
Is that
I've
okay?
never kicked this whole entire time.
Yep, I'll be in
Never
recorded.
once.
Can I get those off you in that case then?
Can you?
Yeah,
Is it-
I'd be happy to.
Can you do that?
Yep, as long as you just promise to be.
Can you put it on?
Yep, I can.
No.
I'll take them off of you, but I just need you to not hurt
I
me is
need
all. Okay.
everything
Yep.
to go on film.
Still being
right now.
recorded. Still being recorded. Yep. Cool.
Where
All right, go ahead and step
everything-
on it. Yep.
No, I need everything.
Just
to
like
be
we talked
recorded.
about. Remember? Still being recorded. Come on out. I got you. It's all good.
Because
Yep. Just you and me. Just you and me. Don't worry about them.
where are your?
Don't worry about them.
No,
Come on,
I
we gotta
need.
go out here.
Where
I know.
is?
Come on.
No, I need cameras.
Everybody's got their cameras. I promise.
Cameras.
I promise.
Don't touch me.
I promise.
Don't touch me. I need
promise.
cameras.
I need you to help me out.
cameras.
I need you to help me out, okay?
Can you not let me go?
Everybody's
until,
got cameras
let
on.
me go
Everybody's
until
got
I
cameras
know
on.
that cameras are on.
I promise everybody's got them on.
Don't touch me.
I have to.
Until is it camera?
Camera's on, just
Then
like we talked about.
Release.
Okay, I'll release
Release.
it. See?
Release.
I'm not touching you. The camera's on. Okay, let's go inside and get you
Release.
settled.
It's on camera. It's on camera. Release me. Camera.
Yes,
Wait, who's talking? Is someone saying something? Oh, sorry. Is that my end? Sorry, guys. Oh, okay. So, there was an advertisement on another screen playing. I'm like, what is that? I don't think anyone's saying anything. So my favorite are the jail deputies, man, because they don't play games. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, yo, there's probably a reason why you're here. We don't care what it is, but you're here, and we gotta take care of business.
Walk up to the yellow black line up there, okay?
Camera.
Still on.
Straight ahead.
You sure?
Yep, straight ahead, man. We got cameras on.
I called my dad, who is an attorney.
You'll be able to go through and make all the phone calls.
Cameras.
Okay?
Cameras everywhere.
I don't.
Hold on. Just hang. Go. Just pay attention to me. I'm the one that's
I trusted you. I trusted you.
I still got my
And
camera.
I trusted you.
Just talk to.
My uncle probably trained you, and you. And I swear to God, if he knew what you were doing right now, he'd take your badges.
Please. Good luck.
What's your
What?
What's your cell phone?
Your badges are mine.
You're a liar. You're a liar, and you're a fucking liar. And all that. I don't care. You don't need my cell phone number because what I'm gonna do, my dad's a lawyer. My uncle probably trained them, and I'm going to pull those.
You think
That's why
they'd
if
be
you're
proud of you,
recording,
huh?
did you record?
Yeah, it's still
Yeah,
on. It's still
pull
on.
it.
I gave you my word. It's
Pull
still
it. Don't touch me. Then get your hands hands off me. Get your hands off me.
Okay, it's just policy. Just answer the sergeant's questions, that's all. It's just a couple questions.
My couple of hands is get your hands off me. I asked you to release me.
Don't
focus on him, just focus on his questions now, okay?
Release my arm.
It's just the policy, just talk to the
Sergeant, have him release my arm. Immediately. Have him release my arm immediately.
Look at this. So she thinks she runs the show, guys. Lano, what's up, man?
You don't fall over, okay?
I don't need him to me. I got a sergeant miss that is on my side. Have him release me immediately.
No.
Thank you.
You want to give your cell phone number now?
Focus with him now.
Do you want to retrain
Go
your
to
sergeants?
Thunderdome.
You want to retrain your sergeants?
Do you want me or do you want my father to probably train all of y'all? I would be so disappointed at the way you're treating people.
I'm not treating you anyway. I'm simply asking you a couple questions.
I didn't plan to be attacked by your officers.
Please!
I was trying to go to my friend's house in Seattle, and then your officers attacked me and just didn't let me go with my merry little way.
I
So,
have no idea what went on.
okay, I'm trying to tell you, I'm
It
trying
doesn't matter.
to just
Merry
go
little way.
on with my life. I literally came here to go on with my life. And for some reason, your officers decided to be like, hey, let me just attack somebody because I feel like I'm entitled to it. I'm sick of it.
Okay.
I got people, I got Uber out waiting for me. Like, I'm trying to sit in my best life, trying to do, trying to lay on the beach and trying to see all these things, and I'm sitting here and they're throwing me around like a freaking ragdoll.
Guys, are you ready for this? Hold on. I'm gonna do a video on this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Chick divorced the guy from Google and got $1 billion. Look at that. $1 billion.
Yeah.
I'll say it again. $1 billion.
Didn't Jeff Bezos' wife? Didn't she get like 90 billion?
No, she got I think it's like 6 billion or whatever. I think, but either way,
I think they say all the richest women.
In the world got their
the
money
top 10
through divorce.
from divorce.
Do this.
Yep.
They were only married for 5 fucking years.
Man, I can't hate on that. She played the game.
You know what it is though, guys? Is this I've noticed that a lot of guys that this happens to, it's us regular guys that have an issue, but guys like this, he's just gonna make the money back anyways, and this chick's gonna blow up a bunch of it. Watch, because Tiger Woods, he lost $250 million, but now he's worth over $1 billion. You think his ex-wife has made more money or has less?
No, has less.
Less. She
Carlos
didn't
X
invest. She didn't invest at all.
Nope. So it's a good source for entertainers hitting the wall. Is a subreddit pretty older women. Ooh, you'll find the opposite. Now, guys, there was this thing where people on Twitter were like, "This is what in my 40s looks like." All these old broads were trying to say, "Oh, that they look good." And guys, we all know what's up. Into the wall, dude. Into the wall. And Carlos.
Seriously. Garlic croutons,
I like your
dude.
soundboard.
I'm so dead. I'm so deadly. I'm a deadly human being. Don't
touch me.
Up.
You were the same motherfucker that sit there and.
She's gonna sit down and wipe your face off.
Yeah, I probably did because I got boogers here. I have my nose.
I got boogers, man.
You were the one.
Do you ever diagnose with any kind of mental illness?
I got uncles in the military. I got uncles in the. I got uncles that's probably your boss, and I can tell you his name. And that motherfucker literally comes up to me like I'm so. Oh God, I'm picking big threat. I got nails in her eye and she's fucking lying. I don't know how to use them. And he's like, oh, what are you?
Cascadian. Okay, guys, let's back up here. That this is not entirely true. Okay, women are the majority homeowners in the U.S. now because they count townhomes and condos as homes. They're not. I mean, a lot of women get houses, yes, from divorce. But you think that these knuckleheaded 304s and single moms are actually buying homes? No, they're buying townhouses and freaking condos. You know what I'm saying?
Let me slam your face. Pull the. I will have your job. It's not cute, bro.
Bruh.
Do you have any medical issues that require immediate attention?
You're really nice. You're really rude. You can't just slam people around like that.
Darla.
What?
Do you have any medical conditions that
Did you say her name is Darla?
Darla.
Yo, have you ever met a girl that's anywhere near like reputable? That's name is Darla.
Everybody knows that Jennifer.
No. Just look at those answers. I will have your job. I'm not doing it. My dad's gonna see it.
Nobody's gonna see it.
No one will see it. Yes, I promise. No one will see it. My dad probably. No, he will. Your boss. So he will not see it.
Darla, the faster we get done with our process, the faster you get to go and make phone calls, okay?
I don't need to make phone calls. We're gonna. So what's up? You look at me. Little freaking
Man, that poor turkey baster that had to get her pregnant. Jesus.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with public intoxication,
God bless
resisting
America.
arrest, and assaulting a public servant. What are your thoughts on the sense of entitlement displayed by individuals who have family members in law enforcement? Share your thoughts below and remember to like and subscribe for more videos.
All right, guys, we got one more, and then we'll shut this bad boy down. Look at that, guys. Hold on, let me just break this out now. Let me just break out the race card now, because we're gonna need it.
It's
An officer on patrol in Ohio noticed the vehicle dangerously reversing in the middle of the road.
Yeah, only in Ohio.
The driver then changed lanes without signaling and was clocked at 46 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour zone, while appearing to use a cell phone. The driver, later identified as 30-year-old Rhonda Perkins, had her two daughters in the vehicle. The officer quickly pursued the vehicle to initiate a traffic stop for the reckless driver. Here's what the officers do next.
Look at this. She has her kids in the car. Guys, they either drive Altimas, 6-cylinder Dodge Chargers, or a Chevy Cruze.
No woman should drive a 6-cylinder car.
What's that?
I said no woman should drive a 6-cylinder car.
Whoa, better that than the V8 one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, all women should be in 4-cylinder cars.
I know there's some pretty fast 4-cylinder cars out there, dude.
Well, all right. So what didn't I pull you over for? So I think I saw the tail end.
He said, "What? I pull you over for?" Ah, look at that!
You turn. I saw 2 marked lane violations. You crossed without using.
And of course, right when he walks up to the car, right?
I'ma kill your bitch ass, bitch! I hope you die, bitch! I hope you die of AIDS, ho!
Right?
Turn signal, and they got you at 46 and 35. Do you have driver's license on you? Okay, everything's recorded on my end too. We have a body cam. I'll take your driver's
How much you want to bet she's on her phone? How much you want to bet?
license up.
Okay, you can say that
I already explained that to you. We're not going to sit here and argue about it, okay? My chief is not going to come out. But I will take your driver's license.
No, because you said that was going 45. I got my stuff locked on here.
Okay, well, I got you locked in on my certified radar at 40. Okay, let me talk. This morning and started my shift at 3 o'clock. Okay, I'll take your driver's license.
Citizen?
689. I'll take a 10, please.
I'm going to turn my car off, okay?
Okay, perfect. I'll take your driver's license though while we're waiting.
I can wait till you're chief for now.
Oh, please.
Hopping out of the car. We're not going to play this game.
For my safety, I will not step out the car.
Okay, I'm asking you to get out of the car.
And you open up my door, so you're breaking and entering.
I'm giving you a lawful order to get out of the car.
And I asked for you to call your chief.
Okay,
Do I need to call the parents for them? For somebody to come and get them? Am I under arrest?
You're not under arrest right now. You are detained. You are not free to leave.
You said what?
You are detained. You are not free to leave. You are not under arrest. I'm telling you, it's a lawful order to get out of the car.
I'm going to ask for you to call your chief.
What a knucklehead.
My chief is not going to come out.
Okay, call
There's no reason.
Call somebody that's hired you. Because I fear for my safety.
Please.
89 to 81.
I fear
Can you
for my
start this way?
safety. You're being hostile.
I'm not being hostile.
What is your name? What is your badge number?
689, Officer White. Tell your police car. Step out of the car.
I will not. For my safety and for my kids' safety.
That's 4 times he's asked her now, right?
Step out the car.
You understand that you're disobeying a lawful order right now, correct?
I'm not.
It's just not reached for anything. Man, I'm telling you, step out of the car.
Can you remove my rights?
For what reason?
Am I under arrest?
No, you're not.
He's not questioning you moron, so he doesn't have to read you your rights. Adam, what's going on, my brother?
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
You guys here, make sure you are subbed to 50 and 304s, guys. I'm going to drop the link real fast. Once again, I said that's for my channel that I have that's dedicated specifically to this type of content. Let's see here. I have like over 100 videos over here already. It's pretty crazy, right? I can't believe it. But yeah, let's go.
Not for my safety, I will not.
Okay.
I am right here.
Who's the on the phone with?
Do you know the address that we were at?
They already know what we're doing.
Okay, the officer is not going to give me the address, and for my safety, he's being very hostile. I have
89 to radio, just letting out my driver is going to be calling you guys on 911.
What? So you're with a police officer and you're calling 911.
You guys hear the dispatch go, so wait a minute. You're with a police officer and you're calling 911? Stupid.
Correct.
We're going to get her out of the car.
Because I don't know who he is. I got my kids right here. Okay. And I requested.
Hold on. Did he do a traffic stop?
I asked him why am I being stopped. He's not telling me why I'm being stopped.
Okay, if you're with a police officer, I mean, that is one of my police officers, so what can I do for you?
Can you request that his chief come out? What's your name?
I can see if I can grab
What is your name?
I was just advising you my caller is calling you guys.
Can you call your chief?
No, my supervisor's on the way out here.
You said your supervisor on this one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I just want you to know you're disobeying a lawful order.
Can you call the sheriff as well?
One of my partners.
Call the sheriff as well, please. Look at that. Guys, this is just the hubris, right? Absolute clown world. Ridiculous.
He said I'm not under arrest. My name is Rhonda.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
If you're out with one of my officers, I'm going to let you know, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay, I need his chief and stuff need to come out here.
Okay, we can have a sergeant come out to you, okay?
Okay, I need a sergeant to come out. Thank you. What am I being pulled over for?
I told you for a third time. Speed 46 and a 35. Are you gonna listen to me or are you gonna talk over me?
I'm listening.
Here we go again. 46 and a 35. You're backing up in the middle of the road, so I can only assume I'm doing a U-turn. I can't charge you for that. I'm just assuming there. And then you move lanes over twice without signaling. And I'm giving you a lawful order to exit the vehicle. If you do not exit this car right this second, you're going to be charged with obstructing. You're going to be placed under arrest. This is your last warning. Do you understand me?
I will exit the vehicle.
Okay, go ahead and do it right now. Do it right now.
Then you say your sergeant
I'm telling you, do it right now.
You need to step out.
For my safety and my kids' safety, I would not.
For your safety,
Did you say?
step out.
Hey,
No, for my
Casey, will
safety,
you take
I
this
don't
lane for a second? Okay, well, I'm going to remove you from the vehicle.
There it is.
It's time!
Let's go. It's about time.
Step out.
No. Okay, listen
You
to
want
the
to do this
seatbelt
from your
on.
kids? Let's go.
Let me call my parents. Let me call the parents for them.
That decision is gone.
And listen.
I'm about to get.
Listen to her kids crying. Isn't that sad?
Yes, it's sad.
Isn't that sad, guys? All she had to do is comply. Guys, never hold court in the street. Ever.
These women, they don't care about their kids.
Not at all. Nope, not at all. Especially B-dubs,
They
man.
don't care about themselves.
The worst stewards of children are American B-dubs, man. Seriously.
Get out of the car.
Y'all ignorant. Y'all ignorant.
Oh, they're ignorant.
My cousin come again. I'm not resisting. Can you hand up the kids the phone? Hand it to my daughter.
Stop moving.
No, I'm just seeing what y'all doing.
You're under arrest.
Anaya, y'all relax. What am I being under arrest for?
Obstructing.
Obstructing what?
Official business.
What am I?
What is the official business?
Give you a lawful order to exit the vehicle. Ask for your driver's license. Refuse to do both of both.
Okay. So what's gonna happen with the kids?
We'll figure that out.
Can you hand them the phone? Y'all relax. Relax. The phone is right here.
Stand up.
Y'all relax.
Walk right here.
Can y'all hand her that phone? Don't get out the car. It's okay. Can you hand her the phone? Just hand the kids the phone. I will not resist. I will not
check for a few.
Can you just hand them that phone right there?
I need you to get in the back of my car.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
In the car, dude.
What do you have in the car?
In the car, dude.
It's registered. It's like a 9 or that, but the click is not in there.
Okay. You don't have it on your.
Can we get a female officer for a search? Let's get in the back of my car.
Smart move, guys. Smart move. They got a female officer for a search. Someone said, wait, who is Nick? Hold on. Who is Nick Rakita?
Oh, you don't want to know.
Someone said that he just got arrested. I don't know who this person is.
He fell off. He was like a famous YouTuber, and alcohol got the better of him.
Oh, really? Let me see if I can figure out.
Yeah, there's some YouTube videos about it.
Oh, yeah, but he got arrested. Okay. Huh.
I think there was some pedophile stuff going on too.
Don't use that word.
Oh, sorry.
Say something else.
All right, some cupcake activity was going on.
Yeah. Some
I'm sorry. I'm super
essay
new. There was
of children. Yeah.
Yes, I apologize.
No worries. Oh, guys, don't put the orange man's name in the chat, please. You can say number 47. You can say orange man. You can say, but please don't put that name, because they will take my stream down, or they will give me a strike. Dude, it's been happening all over YouTube. So
where's your sergeant?
He's right there.
You guys okay? Yeah, your mom's okay? She's all good.
She's just
Can you just hand them the phone so they can call somebody to come get them?
Your kids are okay. Okay, let's do one step at a time. Your kids have your phone.
Okay, who are you?
I'm the officer in charge right now.
You the sergeant?
I'm the one in charge of the shift. Yep, I'm not a sergeant, but I'm the highest supervisor you're going to get right now.
I know I got a right to remain silent. He said,
but you know you're not gonna do that. Come on, man.
Going 45, the loose things and turning in lanes. There's only one lane right there. The turn right there.
And let's go one step at a time. Obviously,
there's only one lane that turn right there.
How about I speak in full sentences and you speak in full sentences?
Go ahead.
Let's have some respect between each other, okay? Let's talk like grown ups.
A 304 and respect, please.
That doesn't go together.
I know, right?
Here's the deal. Your kids are okay. I promise you they're going to be taken care of, okay? Your kids have your phone.
They got
Do you need a medic? Let's start there.
Yes, I do.
Okay, for what? They got to know what they're going to treat.
He scraped me. He pulled my arm.
That's no problem.
And
okay.
I'm hurt.
Do they think that like going to the hospital is gonna make them not go to jail?
Yes, I do need a medic.
Minor scrapes. Where do you got them at?
On my knee, on my back, on my stomach.
Okay.
And they're not minor. Okay. I would like to get checked.
I will call you medic. Hey, look,
sure.
go ahead and call me a medic just for minor scrapes.
There it is, guys.
You shit!
Whoops.
Oh, I need 2 arms. I got fake knees and a rod up my back and 2 torn rotator cuffs.
Some bruises.
Why is they getting out the car?
You were stopped, ma'am.
We was just doing DoorDash.
Ma'am, you were stopped for a legal reason, okay?
He said I wasn't even on the
Ma'am,
road.
listen to
They're
me.
all doing DoorDash.
Call Robin and tell them to come and get you. He's not answering. Listen, stay right here real quick. Let me just talk to them, and I'm gonna talk to you.
No problem.
Let me make sure that they straight.
Absolutely.
Okay, call Robin on your phone right now and relax.
Yeah, that's fine.
Call Pookie.
Dude, call little Nug Nug.
Call Lactavius.
Call Cobra Nika.
DeQuavian.
Guys, I know a woman that named her daughter Cobra Nika.
Oh my god.
No lie, dude. It's crazy.
Hey guys, let's go up here on the sidewalk, okay? Can you come follow me? We're gonna get you a nice warm car back here, okay? You can call whoever you want, okay? Just come right over here. We're just gonna go sit in this one, all right?
Look what y'all just did to me in front of them. Let me just tell
You
them
did that yourself, you moron. I tell you guys, you have so many young black children raised by knuckleheads just like this, and they don't stand a chance. You know what I mean?
Call somebody.
Right.
Let me just make. I'm gonna listen to y'all.
Yep, I got you. Go ahead. Who do you want?
Listen, can you tell them this? Listen, call right now. Call Lolo phone.
Nobody. They don't got nobody.
All right, we're gonna make sure they're okay. Okay.
Yeah, and then I will speak.
You notice how she didn't say call your father from father, right?
Once they're good.
Yeah, once I will.
Or fathers.
404
Let me shut this
not
door real
found.
quick. I'm gonna crack the window. Cool.
Yeah, can she come to the thing so I can tell them? Who is that? Okay, call Lolo. Call Misha phone. Call Misha.
Next one.
Call Lolo? Call Misha.
Man, do you have a license on you?
Everything is at the house. Okay. Like, we were just out here doing DoorDash. Just so I could take my niece home today. Who is that? Misha. Just tell her what's going on. Tell her I'm being, what? Am I being arrested?
You go under arrest.
Yeah.
Okay, they put me under arrest and she need to come and get child. You ain't.
Rhonda's under arrest right now. I got her 2 daughters here, okay? And we're looking for somebody to come pick them up. Is that something?
What did she get arrested for? What's the address? I'm on my way. All right, I'm on my way. What did she do?
She's under arrest for obstructing right now, okay? We can go into some more detail. My first priority is getting these kids into a warm car, okay?
Okay, please.
I'm
Can they just sit with you until I get there? I don't want them to sit outside.
Yeah, we're going to put them in my cruiser right now, keep them warm, okay? I'm going to give the
I'm
phone...
about 25 minutes away.
Okay.
It's going to take me 20 minutes.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm going to give the phone back to them, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Here's the deal. You were stopped for.
I'm being arrested, right?
You're under arrest for obstructing. Okay.
You can go ahead and just take me downtown.
I gotta talk to you. Okay.
I'd rather go downtown. I'm not saying nothing without an attorney.
Man, this was not.
I just said it's something about attorneys, and this is a wrongful arrest, and I got every right to be silent.
Man, this conversation, I wasn't involved. Use of force. This is a administrative interview with you now. Okay.
I don't want to do no interviews. I don't want to.
You don't want to talk about what happened just now?
I don't want to talk. I got the right to remain silent. I just want to make sure.
This has nothing to do with the case.
I just want to make sure. No. If it's not, I'm gonna remain silent. I'm not talking. I'm not speaking.
Oh,
okay.
If I'm arrested, so is she gonna come here to get them?
Yeah, I promise you.
They're gonna go downtown.
No, your kids. If we can find somebody, that's absolutely what we're gonna do.
No. I gotta make sure that they are.
They'll be taken care of. Okay.
Did she say she's gonna come and get them? Can you please just have her?
We're working through some things. I will make sure. Okay, you know exactly where your kids are going.
Just did she say she's gonna come and get y'all? She's coming to get y'all?
Yeah, she's coming.
Did you give her the address?
Yes.
She said she coming to get you?
Yeah, she coming.
She coming right now.
20 minutes.
Sad. Oh, poor little girl.
I don't give y'all a right to search my car either.
Man,
doesn't matter.
Can you just take me down?
I want you to understand what's going on.
Just take me down. Read me my rights.
Okay, you guys might be able to both fit right there. Let me move this seat out for you guys, okay? All right, there you go. I'm just going to crack this window, okay? If you guys need anything at all, you just yell, and I'll come back here and help you, okay?
Y'all didn't even read me my rights. How am I arrested, and y'all didn't even read me my rights?
That's not how it works.
Okay, just take me
You don't have to be arrested to be arrested. Ma'am, I'm not going to ask you criminal questions, okay?
You got me in handcuffs. Take me downtown.
You're not hearing what I'm saying to you. There are two separate conversations that need to be had right now. Okay.
I want an attorney.
Is your license in the car?
No, it is not.
Okay.
It may or may not be. I don't know.
Can I have your first and last name?
I have a right to remain silent.
Not when you're being pulled over for a traffic stop. You have to ID yourself. That's why you're under arrest.
With my attorney. I don't feel safe.
That's not a criminal question.
I don't feel safe. I don't feel comfortable.
That's not a criminal.
Anything I say can and will be used against my.
You have to ID yourself on a traffic stop. You're the driver of a vehicle that will stop for a legal reason. Okay? You have to ID yourself.
Am I under arrest?
Yes.
Okay.
Asking somebody for their identifying information on traffic.
I thought we'd established that like 15 minutes ago. You're under arrest, you knucklehead.
Stop is not a criminal. Is not a question that needs to be read Miranda. Okay.
What am I being under arrest for?
Obstructing official business.
What did I do to?
You refuse to step out of the vehicle.
For my safety.
You were driving, you refuse to step out. That's case law. You must step out as a driver or passenger of a vehicle that is legally stopped.
What needed to be stepped out for?
You weren't identifying yourself. The officers wanted you out of the vehicle.
Oh my goodness, my back is hurting. He had his knee in my back so hard. My knees, my body hurt.
My back.
Aching. They pulled me out. I had
can I have your first name?
I had a seatbelt on. It was choking my neck.
All right. Can I have your first and last name?
Attorney.
I can't have anything. Social? Man, that's not a criminal. That's not a criminal question. It's an administrative question. I just need your identifying information. These guys are going to need your identifying information as well if you want to be treated. What's going on?
My back. I'm hurt. I've been dragged out the car with the seatbelt on.
My back.
And it
Where is Norwich? Norwich Township. Where's that? Let's see.
Pennsylvania.
Is it?
No, I'm guessing.
No, it's in Connecticut. No, wait, no, it's not. That's Norwich Town. Ohio. Duh. Sorry, guys.
Only in Ohio.
It was like I was coughing. My knee was in my back and everything. Like my back hurt so bad. I've been into a car wreck. Already been like having issues with my back and stuff like that or whatever. And like they just caused a lot of stuff to my knees, to my back and everything. I feel like I need to go to the hospital.
Which hospital?
You're the medic.
Well, we can take you where you normally go.
I don't look. I'm not even from Columbus. I'm
we
from
got one
Dayton.
right down the street here.
Okay,
Actually.
go ahead and take me down here.
Okay. What's your name, ma'am?
To be honest, I'm trying to remember.
What's your first name?
Please, guys.
You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok.
Please.
About your last name.
Do you not know your name?
No.
I hit my head.
Okay, what is your? We need your name to go to the hospital. Just give us your name and your date of birth.
As soon as you take me there, I'll get the people, the doctors, my name.
We're not playing games. We're not playing games.
We're not the police. We need it. We need it.
Before he came back playing.
You know, the longer y'all wait,
Only
and y'all deny
doctors
me
shall know
medical,
my name.
We are not.
anything can happen. Do y'all see my legs over here shaking?
We are not denying you.
I fear for my safety.
Okay. All right. All right. Sounds good. You wouldn't need to go to the hospital then, right?
I said I want to go to the hospital.
Okay.
And I feel like y'all are denying me medical treatment.
We are not denying you medical
Okay, you take me to the hospital.
Okay.
You just asked me which hospital, and I told you I don't even know no hospitals up here. I'm not from here.
That's okay. But you understand we need your name and all that when we go to the hospital. Do you understand that?
Oh, my back. Oh, my head.
Listen to this.
Oh, we're gonna drag you out of the car again.
I thought I was happy to see that.
Okay.
You said drag me out of the car again?
Yep.
You said, King, I have another officer to talk to. Can you back up?
She's
okay,
as soon
so
as
let
you get
her
out.
talk to me.
Okay, as soon as you get out, she's gonna take over.
Back up. Because you
Get out of
already
the car.
assaulted me.
Okay.
You already assaulted me.
Go and turn around.
Which way you want me to go,
I want you to
ma'am?
face this car right here for me, okay?
Which way?
Right there. You're good right there. You got anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, no needles or knives, nothing like that?
Nope.
I know, it's not comfortable for me either, so. You have a bra on?
Yeah, Steve is right. Yeah, she's probably not trying to identify herself because she's probably got warrants. Yeah.
All of it, Steve. All of
They
it.
go at my house.
We'll work on that. Kick your foot in
I'm
for
talking to her.
Okay. Well, she's not even a police officer.
Hi, Rhonda. I'm Officer Person, you're Hilliard Police. I haven't talked to you yet. I got here like way after everything happened.
Are you a sergeant?
I'm not, but I'm not asking you any questions. So we have to take your firearm just for safekeeping because we're giving you.
She had a gun in the car too. Look at that.
We're taking the vehicle, and we can't just give your firearm to somebody. So you can always come back to the police department and get it. It's all your property. We're just taking it for safekeeping. Obviously you're handcuffed, but I just want to explain that to you. So the Taurus 9mm with some rounds. It's legally yours. It's all yours. It's just for safekeeping. Okay? You understand that? Okay. I'm ready.
Wow, she legally owned it.
Well, they don't know who she is yet.
Okay, just want to check on you.
Oh, that's right.
I put it down more. Yeah, are you guys up? Okay.
She's here.
She's here.
She's in that white car.
Yeah.
The white car that just pulled up.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where am I?
She's in one of the police cars up here.
Can I talk to her?
I don't know. It's up to
I just want to
them.
make sure, like, I don't gotta get nothing at her house. Do I need her keys?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna have her kids.
That makes sense. Yeah. Whenever the officer's done, you can chit chat with him. Okay. He knows way more than I do. Got her for.
Oh, guys, that's that. You know.
That ends abruptly.
Guys, tomorrow we're gonna look at this one with this chick decides to take her pants off in the middle of the. And then guys, look at this. Where's my friggin' chain off? This guy's a judge.
A New York State Supreme
And he
Court
gets in a
judge
fight
is in
with some
hot
cops,
water
dude.
after getting
So guys, this will be tomorrow. So all right, guys, we're at the 3-hour mark. So guys, I just dropped a new video. So guys, go over and check that out. Closing words, guys.
I'm glad to be here. Super new. I had a good time.
Anytime, guys. Never feel shy to join. Once again, guys, I go live Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays on the other channel, and then Sundays. So Tuesdays 50 and 304s on this channel here. Thursdays is Courtroom Madness. Friday I go live on the 50 and 304s channel. Sunday I go live on this channel to Send the Asteroid. That's general red pill stuff. And then guys, on the locals, which I'll announce this weekend on the community tab, I'll do daytime lives, like short, like 30-minute lives. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And those will be for members only on the locals. So all right, you guys, I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for all the support, guys. Have a good one.
You see you soon.
Amen.
Oh, Dream Touch, if you're still here. Yeah, I need an intro song, so join the Discord and hit me up. So, all right, man.